I was waiting to do that. I was waiting to scare you guys like that. All right, 1952 on Amy. Let's see if we can get that push above 20. You know what 20 means? Showing the ankles. So I also decided that I was going to diamond hand my Oxy calls because oil was just ripping and we weren't seeing anything. And now Oxy, they're still slightly red, but it just keeps making these new highs over here. So I'm going to hold those into the end of the day because fuck it. Why not? All right, so Amy still at 1951. SPY just kind of flickering around these lows over here. The SPY's looked really weak all day. GME's looking good at around 129. These Oxys are selling off right now with the market. Everything is going to be following the market a little bit today. So SPY, we're going to need to see the market start to kind of reverse and trend up into close. If we see that, 21's not out of the question. So as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps get a little bit more people in here just so we can watch these boom boom candles fire off. Woo! Come on. 31% on my first 1348 today. There we go, Michael. Matthew, sorry, I can't read. Did my SPY zones just disappear? Oh, no, they're still here. SPY coming down here. Amy just kind of hasn't given a shit about the SPY, which is nice. Oxy right around 42. I mean, I have the $42 strike. I'm hoping that it doesn't finish right around 42 because that would mean my contracts would be worthless. So Amy selling off a tiny, tiny little bit here. 1943. We are at Don Julio right now. I think what happened is Amy knew I was coming on to stream. And just wanted to show us a little bit of Don Julio before we started to come back up. So SPY down a little bit here. Oxy selling off down just below 42 right here. GME 128.70. All right, people, let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex update here. Holy shit. 3.75 million borrowed shares. 100% utilization. No. Cost to borrow 1.48% over here. 22.11% estimated short interest. Really, really, really high on all these stocks over here. So GME, let's check GME's Ortex over here. GameStop. All right, people, here we go. Again, 100. Oh, here we go. We got something. Cost to borrow max on GME, 9.5% over here. Interesting. So this thing's stepping up 21.06% estimated short interest. Now we're probably going to see next week if the cost to borrow is going to increase based on the so-called 100% utilization. The big increase will happen next week. Hopefully. So Amy right now approaching that 1950 again. SPY is just struggling. Oxy struggling. GME trying to come up too. The squeeze stocks are looking real strong going into the end of the day here, people. FTDs for Amy, I can take a look. They're probably not going to be that crazy. We haven't seen any wildness. Not like we've seen in the past. FTDs, no, nothing crazy. So Oxy selling off here. SPY coming down. Awesome. Great. Let's see what happens going into close here, people. Woo! Robinhood just announced you can now transfer in from another broker. Yeah, I don't think a lot of people are going to be using that feature. But here we go, people. I will be diamond handing these Oxys. So coming down to touch that 25 MA again. It's been doing that a couple of times before it starts to rally back up, along with the SPY doing its thing over here, being a little bit of an a-hole. Let's see what happens with Oxy. Oil is skyrocketing today. Oil at 91.94, up 2.29%. So let's see here. State in the Bank of America crossover printing. There we go. 100% utilization for the third straight day in a row. Last time, no. 100% utilization was there for a while, or very close to 100% utilization. It was there for a while before we ran. Amy, 1948, doesn't really care what the SPY's doing right here. The SPY pulls back up and starts to reverse, which honestly I'd love to see. Then we can really start to get going. But let's see if we can get to 20. If we get to, come on, here we go. Here come the buyers stepping in. 1956, we're up 5% on the day. Come on, everybody. Let's do it. GME getting a little bit of a candle. SPY coming back up. Oxy trying to do its thing over here. This could be a fun end of the day here. Breakout's what we need. Jacob, 100%, buddy. Disable the transfer button. There you go. There you go. All right, everybody. So Amy's looking all right over here. I like it. Let's see what we got. And SPY breaks down on the 44650. Where would our next support level be? It kind of already did. Let's see. I mean, another zone down here is like 435, which I don't see us getting to today. Unless people have a panic attack. So Oxy 4201. Amy, here we go. New day highs on AMC. Come on. Let's get that push to 20 here, people. Let's go. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We got to get, this is crazy. If we close the week above 20, that would be awesome. Tested 1960 again. Yep. SPY down. The amount of strength that AMC is showing today is awesome. 1962 over here. Previous day high, 1965. Anytime the SPY starts to get a little bit of momentum, Amy just goes, which is awesome over here. Oxy looking all right. 2 p.m. margin calls. There, I meant as an 100% utilization. We haven't seen this since the yes, that is true. That is true. That's a good push up. I mean, yeah, Amy needs to do her push ups. 1961 right now, up about 5.46%. SPY trying here. Amy, come on, 20. We want some boom boom candles up to 20 over here, people. Oh, we hit blackjack yesterday. We can get 20. Well, we didn't necessarily hit blackjack yesterday. We were close. It was what do you call it? 2096. We were 4 pennies off of blackjack. All right, SPY chilling here. I think where's oil right now? Is it back over 92 yet? 91.98. Jesus. Our gamma ramp after 20 is empty. Well, not if people start buying calls. So for this week after 20, I mean, yeah, you got to get to 22 for this week, but for next week, what's it looking like? Yeah, it's not ideal. There's a decent amount of volume over here, but it's not looking bad right here. So why do I have 2 AMCs? That's kind of comical. Oxy, SPY moving back down again. Not gonna let me do it. Oxy. Freaking Weeble. Let me see if it does it over here. Oxy. Oh, all right. Hold on. I gotta shut this down real quick, then open it back up. Let's see over here. Moas, DraftKings. All right. For some reason, my Weeble desktop hates me sometimes. I don't know why. It's probably because I don't update it ever because screw that. So SPYs, it's just kind of flickering around these lows over here. Oxy just above 40. Amy, 1958. GME down here, 128.84. Looking all right over here, everybody. What's wrong with 2 Amy's? Well, I got to see my oil stock over here do its thing, huh? I got to see my oil stock, right? Does this validate that SPY and AMC are no longer following each other? Not really. They can disjoint. That's why a lot of people have talked about negative beta, because on the days that AMC has gone absolutely like nuclear, it's possible SPY was red. Dude, this looks good. Come on. It's just slowly stair-stepping its way up, testing the 25. Oxy looking all right over here. Oxy's really going to depend on the SPY and if oil makes a massive move. Negative beta. No, it's not negative beta. And negative beta it's not really like a predictor of like the future price movements. So SPY down about 0.5% here. Oxy just chilling, 42.02. GME might come down and test this 13 right here. I don't know. Let's see if the buyers are going to step back in on this thing. SPY's moving down, so watch Amy get a little bit of selling over here. Woo! All right. Do you think SPY rally is it into close? I think maybe it's possible. It's very possible that SPY gets a little rally into close. I mean, it's sold off the entire day off what news? SPY tanked yesterday. There's a lot of money sitting on the sideline. It's possible. If it does, Amy going to go boom. Fed Talk Monday. Hopium. Yeah, it could. We've seen this in the past that typically in the afternoon, the SPY does the opposite of what it does in the morning trading session. That's why in the days in the past where I'm like, I think SPY is going to rally. That's kind of why it's just like, oh, reversal back up. We see it many, many, many times. Pizza Boy Millionaire. Thank you so much for the super. You are a discount Tom Holland. That's a compliment. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. DraftKings going to cross down on the 5-minute. Interesting. Margin calls. I don't know. Margin calls is just, it's like people hate that word. Amy popping up a little bit. People hate the word margin call. I think it's kind of funny when people freak out about it, especially when a Twitter account like FX Hedgers tweets it. It's not talking about AMC. It's just not. People are like, "Why I hate you?" And it's like, "Well, dude, he's not even talking about you." You still think buyers are affecting real-time data? Yeah, SV News did come out. I think TMI tried to tweet it. News about what, Ryan? News about what? News about what? I kind of want some news. I like news. News is fun. My Twitter's back working now. Let's see. CNBC about what? Oh, the Fed? Ah, interesting. Well, there's that meeting coming up. So, Oxy, come on, bro. I'm diamond handing you into the end of the day. I want to see some action. I want new day highs on Occidental Petroleum. All right, Amy, 1959 over here. I mean, it just looks good, right? I just think, I mean, SPY's just slowly getting walked down. If the buyers step back in going into the end of the day, that would be pretty sweet. Are they going to? I don't know. Russian invasion imminent. Okay, so calls on oil. So the oil play should be fine. Oil back above 92. Facebook, did those puts print? They probably did. Yep, those puts I called out earlier on the 1348 printed. Good for you guys that stayed in those. I paper-handed bitched myself again. 2 p.m. AMC GME. All right, chill out, people. Chill out, everybody. So if Russia invasion stuff, I mean, oil should just go nuclear. Amy, 1960. SPY coming down. AMC going up. Negative beta. Here we go. Fear of the Fed behind the curve of rate hikes. Yes. But that came out yesterday. That's the thing. Like, I feel like a lot of this stuff is already priced in. Here comes SPY. Watch it around this new low over here. It wants to get a little 5-minute MACD cross. I think we're going to see more candles like this at some point. These green candles that are going to let Amy go a little bit. Sleepy, thank you so much for the super. If bear SPY next week and rate fears, NVIDIA probably down. Rate hikes with those types of stocks typically bleed out. You got SPY puts and AMC calls. There you go. I do have one AMC call kicking around today for a potential boom into close, but you know, just for fun, you know, just having a little bit of fun over here. I can feel it, says Mr. Johnny London. I feel the excitement too. AMC rally at 1:30. We got 4 minutes to go, buddy. There goes SPY trying to make a new low over here. Come on. Oxy may drop a tad and then pop. That's what I'm thinking. It comes down to this 25 MA and then pops. So, oh, here comes SPY. SPY new low over here. Oh, boy. Watch out below. If AMC hits 30 today, will you shave your head on stream? No. You have 100 contracts for Amy at 21. Hopefully they don't expire this week. Dude, Amy does not really care what the SPY's doing right now. It's a 4-cent drop on a big SPY candle. All right, Oxy coming down and testing this little thing right here. So let's see what happens with Occidental. GME coming down testing the 13. SPY coming down hard. I hope you washed your ankles. Come on, people. Come on with that nonsense. All right, Oxy coming down. I still think it's nonsense with oil above 92. All right, Amy, 1954 right here. 130%, 80%. There you go. There you go. Would rate hikes cause a share recall? No. Rate hikes probably will increase cost to borrow, though. They probably will do that. Just got to stay higher than 1750. I would, 20 plus would be great. SPY keeps continuing to make these new lows over here. Nice. Good job, SPY. Awesome. This could be a little bit of a fake out before we start to run into the end of the day, or it's just going to sell the entire day. What's negative beta? It's just the correlation and the variance and covariance. It basically shows how well a stock is correlated to an index. That's really it. If we get this whole Russia invasion business, you can play Boeing, Raytheon, Lockheed. They will sell off first, I think, before they start to get going. SPY, new lows over here. Oxy holding at 41.90. Amy holding at 19.55. GME coming down a little bit here. Man, they really are just screwing around with the market. Or they're going to declare war at 2 p.m. and tank the market. Yeah, oil would rip. SPY keeps dipping, but AMC is strong. Yeah. This is nice. Seeing this happen with hold on. Yeah, let's see. All right, we got a lot of news coming out. Let's see. The U.S. believes Russia has decided to invade Ukraine in community of those plans. Tweet has been deleted. Should have held my SPY put, says Rico's Roughnecks. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. I do have puts on Twitter. How are those puts doing? All right. The Oxys got hammered. How are the Twitter puts doing? Oh, the TLT puts are up 20%. Twitter puts dead. ATVI dead. Neo dead. Sense. All right. The only thing I got really going well is these freaking TLT puts. SPY new lows. Jesus, man. Yeah, Oxy selling off on this. Amy's selling off on this. This is getting gnarly. I didn't get notified. Yeah, everybody in here right now, make sure you have your notifications turned on. YouTube's been screwing around a lot. So make sure you guys have those notifications turned on for my channel. You just go over and tap that bell. All right, we're back to Don Julio. All right, this is nonsense here. This is bullshit. Are you kidding me? Why is Russia? You suck. Whoever Russia's, what I think we bought TLT at the same time. Yeah, I think so. Order filled, 10 AMC. There you go, buddy. All right, SPY is really coming down here, bringing oil down with it, bringing Amy down to the 25. GME, same thing over here. SPY is just selling right now. So where's oil? Not moving. How does TD Ameritrade automatically close calls in the money that expires? It's you can't let them ride. They will just hit you with it. They will just take it from you. All right, SPY new lows. Damn, Oxy all the way back down to full. Wow. All right, I'm gonna take these back right now. That is such nonsense. That is such bullshit. Dang. Hold on. I don't know. I feel like I should just diamond hand it in the close, right? I feel like that's what I should do. The Oxys, I feel like I should just hold them. Because this Russia stuff has to do with oil. Apple cliff dive. Same with the SPY. Is Apple back into the zone? Apple back into the zone here. Watch out below on Apple. Amy at 1937. I don't know. Can you please buy some SPY puts? Why would I do that? Why would I buy SPY puts? Because you think it's going to go up? That's not how things work. You paper hand too much? Thanks, Sam. It's not like I already didn't know that already. Oh, Oxy move here. I like it. Is this SPY moving? Nope. Occidental getting bit up. I like this. What's max pain at? 18. Captain paper hands. That's me. So the market will rebound? No, not with this. Oil can get going here. Did it move? Yeah. Hold on. Here it comes. Oil moving up. SPY moving down. Interesting. So Amy right now at 1937. Oxy's catching a bid over here. SPY is just free falling right now. Just down. Look at this move right here on oil. Apple, this is what I was waiting to see. SPY down, Oxy up. That is what I want to see because people are going to fly into the things, hopefully, that should go up when all of this nonsense starts to happen. Like right now with Oxy, like this should be much higher than it is right now. That's why I've held these calls. SPY is just continually making these lows over here, and now we're starting to see maybe a little bit of oil reaction. So Amy bouncing off this 25 right here. Yeah, here it goes. TLT coming up. Interesting. AMC has taught all of us to hold through the depths of hell and back. Right. Not with options, though, that expire worthless. DraftKings getting ready to add more calls when it hits 2350. There you go. SPY still coming down. This looks like it wants to go. Amy coming down. Let's see. Where's oil right now? There it is. Back above 92. Uber down. Or did Uber bounce? All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Oh, slackers. Alrighty. Bad news, maybe typical Friday sell-off. Hope Amy will stay green. I hope so. Oil will tank if Russia invades. No, I don't think so. There's already an oil's just Twitter down. Or US will produce more. An Oxy, a US producer would rip. Last time Russia invaded Ukraine, oil tanked to record low. Okay, fair. Well, we'll see what happens on these Occidental calls going into the end of the day. We got Amy pulling back up here. SPY, it's trying, but oh, here it comes. Here it comes. I also didn't get the notification you were live. Dude, YouTube, make sure you guys have your guys, make sure you have your notifications turned on. What was the news for this tank again? It's just Russia stuff and fears over more rate hikes. So let's see. Amy, 1937 over here. GME selling. Look at 2014 oil prices. All right, I'll look at that. All right, here comes Oxy. Yep, bounced right off the 48 hard. Let's see these peeps hold shorts then. David, you know that the market tanks on that and they make money on their shorts. Careful with that. Careful with that line of thinking. You want the market to crash, cool, but They're going to get hurt. SPY coming down here, new low on this candle, 444.57. VIX is pumping. Yeah. Amy holding while SPY tanks equals bullish. I mean, it was holding, not anymore, really. Here comes Oxy back down. SPY moving down again. Oh, man. Yeah, that's not really why I'm playing the oil stuff. It's just oil's at like 92 right now. What's it at now? 91, 94. It's just hanging out. SPY new lows. Amy holding though, man. All right, I'm thirsty. It's time for some liquid IV. Something's on the CNBC site. All right, I'll take a look. Wait, that's the 10-year markets. I feel like it's markets, isn't it? All right, now business. Metaverse. I don't even know where to look on this. Yeah, I don't even know economy. The Fed is likely to take a measured approach to rate hikes despite calls for bigger action 4 hours ago. So they're basically saying no hike, no emergency hike. Brian, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thanks for all your hard work, crushing the 1348. Attaboy, that's what we love to see. Occidental trying to come up here. Same thing with the SPY. Amy 1934. If the SPY reverses here, we could see everything just go boom, especially this right here, because Oxy's been getting some candles as the SPY's tanking. So we'll see on here. Brian, thank you so much for that super, buddy. Why don't I play XOP? I just like Oxy more. Is XOP oil? Yeah. What's this? Yeah, this is up a little. See, it's following this. This is kind of what it's following here. Oxy, what are we looking at? Yeah, here it comes. Amy down, SPY down. Let's see what happens here. Is Uber just like dying? Yeah, a lot of people were playing the Uber puts earlier. T crossing up. That's a flight into bonds, maybe a little bit. Russian news is FUD. Yeah, my Oxy has earnings on the 24th of February. BP, Shell all made huge profits. True. SPY down. AMC down. Whoa, SPY candle. New lows on the SPY over here. 35% on XPXS calls. There you go. My paper hands burn the shit out of me today. It happens, man. I mean, as long as you made money, you're good to go, especially in this market today. Oh, man, a firm puts. There you go, dude. All right, let's see. Look at TLT go. Oh, is it spiking? Oh, here comes TLT. Here comes TLT. All right, hold on. Why is TLT running? Gold pop. All right, I'm going to add to the TLT calls that I have. All right, yeah, I know. I just added to some of the TLT calls just so I have more upside exposure. The TLT strangle right now is flat. So interesting. Very interesting move here on TLT. This is a boom. This could be a bond auction. I mean, SPY's selling off. This is a flight into bonds right now. This is a 10 years below 2. Yeah, so people are buying bonds right now. Huh. Weird. Very, very weird action going on with TLT. Oh, Oxy. There we go. Come on. Go. Go. Make that new high. All right. Amy selling off here a little bit, right around 19. The SPY is just making new lows. Oil stocks look like that. How's Exxon doing right now? Something weird is going on in the market, people. Hold on. Let me figure out what's going on. FDA postpones meeting on Pfizer vaccine. Gold pop. U.S. stocks extend fall. I don't see UK's Johnson cell leaders. He feels for the security of Europe. Oh boy. Exxon's coming up. SPY's coming down. If this Oxy prints today, I'm going to lose my mind. All right, SPY is really selling here. What's TLT at? This is gnarly here. Yeah, TLT crossed up. People are flying into bonds right now. SPY is selling off real hard. Real hard sell-off on the SPY right here. So SPY is now down 1.36%. It's just free falling right now. Hold on, more news. Oh, no, this is just Discord alerts. Okay. SPY selling real hard on this. Oh, boy. Oil ripping. SPY puts are printing. There you go. Amy back up. SPY trying to get a candle here. Disca nosedive. Yeah, that would make sense. This could just be a nice little, like a little dead cat bounce on the SPY for the day. Whole market's about to go red just like yesterday afternoon. It could. Sens just announced FTA approval this morning. Dip makes no sense. Yes, it does. It was already priced in. They announced a couple of weeks ago that they were going to be announcing that good news. And then when it came out that the news was already there, it's like they already got it. 200% on your SPY puts. There you go. A 140% on Roku. There you go. All right. Amy, 1904. SPY trying to bounce here. Oxy trying to make a move. Yeah, the Oxy contracts are getting bid up a lot for no reason. For like literally no reason. The premium is spiking on these. UK says British nationals in Ukraine should leave now. Uh-oh. Watch the SPY. Watch the SPY. Where's oil? Oil's up 2.5%. This could get gnarly. 1,000% on Uber puts, 359% on Apple puts. You guys are crazy. There you go. All right. All right. Yeah, oil's doing weird stuff here. All right, what do we got? That was a lot of yesterday's news. 450% on SPY puts. There you go. All right, SPY's holding here, but it doesn't look great. Amy, 1899, came back down. Oxy back down. Biden gave the same message. Biden gave the same message a few weeks ago or a few hours ago. Interesting. All righty. Neo's ripping. What's up with Neo? Let's go Neo on the downside. Amy, 1893. GME selling off. Everything. TLT. What's going on with this? Holding here, but that's a TLT move right there. Oxy holding. AMC below VWAP now. Okay. Yeah. SPY back down. Oxy holding. Puts getting expensive quick. Yeah. 6,000% on your Affirm puts you bought when the tweet was leaked. There you go. Amy selling off hard to the 200. SPY new lows. PayPal looking for new lows. There you go. Bye-bye market. Yeah. So this is interesting right here. I'm going to hold these Oxy calls until the end of the day just to see what happens with this. Oil is spiking really hard. Yeah. All right. Let's see. This could get a real big pop soon. 2,500 up on SPY put, says STV Squirrel. There you freaking go, buddy. There you go. Ontario calls a state on emergency over the trucker protest. Okay, that's probably not going to move the markets all that much. Here comes Oxy to the upside. Did these contracts just to go green on that move? If they did, the premium's spiking. They're close, man. SPY down. All right. Amy right now coming back down to the 200. GME doing the same thing. SPY moving down here. Oxy's just flickering. SPY puts up 260%. Do we have to start sacrificing again? I don't know if that's going to work today. So is this war worries? Yeah. That's what it looks like here. And an oil and bond move. Oh my God. Oil just went up another $1. Oil just shot up $1. Okay, hold on. So this is a big move right here. Oil's at 93.31 right now. That was a huge move. So this could get dirty over here. Amy coming back up, SPY trying to move. This could get nasty on Oxy here. If it does, that was a huge oil move. That was huge. 354% on a SPY put. Interesting. There you go. Amy coming down, SPY coming down. Oh my. Where's XOM? Exxon coming up, CVX. Holding. These are holding, man. All right, SPY moving back down again. You're screaming? Turn the volume down. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. Did something happen? It's just fears of the Russia invasion stuff, not having fun. How in the hell did oil just shoot that much? Oil's up even more now. Better fill up your gas tanks. Yeah, oil just went to 93.23. Okay, fucking Oxy selling off. That's weird. Anyone else's internet go out for a second? Mine didn't. Okay, so this is a little of like an inflation bond and war fear move right here. 300, 350, and 150% up on SPY positions. There you go. Oil tickers. I mean, Oxy's Occidental Petroleum. We got Exxon's Chevron. Gush is probably doing something here. I just don't understand why. I mean, yeah, the SPY's coming down. People are selling stuff, but this makes no sense with oil being where it is. It's still up. It's still rising. Up 68% on Bank of America puts. There you go. Amy now down below the 200. Still up 20 cents on the day, up 1%, but the whole market is getting slaughtered right now. Slaughtered. GME getting big red candles. This is gnarly. If oil goes up, EV should go up too. It should, but the market's freaking out. I'm trying to catch like a weird reversion move where people start piling into these oil stocks and it just goes. That's what I'm trying to hit here on this, because the SPY selling off big, that's going to weigh down on these. But if oil starts to go up and people think that oil is going to run up past 100, people will pile into these types of stocks here. Oil at 2008 pricing. Yep. SPY coming down hard again. Micron put printing. There you go. Klein, I think you really misunderstand a lot of how the market works with that question right there. I see you say that stuff a lot. Does AMC have a lot of theaters in Ukraine or something? No, that's not how the market works. When the market starts to sell off, it drags everything down with it, dude. You got to understand that there's algorithms in the market. I can fully understand that if you're angry that the algorithms are going to control everything. I get it. But it's like asking like a rhetorical question on something that we already know. It's like we already know that if the SPY sells off and if the market sells off, it's going to bring everything down with it. 140% on Uber puts. Like, no, no, it doesn't have theaters in Ukraine. Like, that's not how this works. Why don't people just hold into the worries? You calm down. Why sell for a loss? It's just the algos freaking out. SPY trying here. Where's oil? Whoa, oil's about to hit 94. Whoa. This is that's a $2 move in oil. Jesus. 220% up on Lyft. There you go. Jeez, man. Gold stocks moving up. Yep. GLD. Dollar's probably going. Yeah, GLD's getting a pop here. Where's TLT? Bouncing a little. Where do you see all the oil price movements? I just typed in oil. It's oilprice.com is what I'm on. 93.75. SPY coming back down. Oxy. Whoa. Interesting. Stop shorting the likes. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. This is getting gnarly. GME selling off really hard here. Real hard. USO. Yeah, you can look at USO. Where's USO right now? Oh, USO is the freaking winner. Look at this. With oil coming up like this, USO is the winner. So if oil keeps going up like this, Oxy and Exxon aren't really going, but USO is 93.84 right now. So this one's the winner out of all these oil moves. When we saw that oil spike, look what happened with USO. So USO was the move, not Oxy apparently. So Oxy is trying here, but it is not working out too well. Here's honestly what I might do. So crude oil whoa, 94.39. No, it didn't just do that. Yeah, I've got 93 on it. Francisco, thank you so much for the super. Someone knows something on GGPI. Check in, still good. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, it sold off from the high here. So SPY's moving down. Let's put USO up here because that's the winner right now with oil skyrocketing. Look at this. It went from 65, 66. That's a big move. What are these premiums up today? 500%. Scare tactics in effect. Yep. So, oh, this is US over. Why did these just switch? All right, let's see. Amy SPY coming down. Oxy. Oh, USO is the winner right now. Energy ETF, XLE is one. Honestly, just look at United States Oil. USO right here. SPY is selling off really hard and oil's just going nutty. Is it above 94? 93.66, selling off a little here. Oxy's trying. Panic selling? Yeah. That's exactly what it is. Are these premiums just randomly spiking? Sorta. These should not be where they are right now. SPY back down. Let's see. VIX just started ripping? Yeah. I mean, it should have been ripping throughout this entire move. All right, let's see. Oil back up. VIX skyrocketed. My call went nuts. There you go. That's good. All right. So Amy selling off here. This is craziness. Craziness in the market right now. The buyers are trying so hard on Oxy to push this thing up. This is hilarious. USO was the oil play? Yeah, it is. So in the future, instead of Oxy, when we see oil going, we'll play USO. Oxy contracts back in the money. Let's see what these are doing. Wow, these are inflating. They should not be like this. That's chilling. Jimmy's still green. Is Amy? Amy's still green, and Jimmy is still green. They're both still green right now with these massive sell-offs that we're seeing. Who's going to be the next sacrificial lamb? That's funny. CVX, is it going? Chevron? Okay, Chevron's coming up here. Watch this. So now the bigger oil stocks are starting to go. Chevron's starting to go up. Exxon's probably going too. Yeah, Exxon's getting a candle. Amy popping back up. Hold your horses here. Oxy, there it goes. Come on now. I've been practicing my 1348 skills on Bitcoin 3x leverage tokens. Works very well. There you go, buddy. Okay. So the oil stocks are starting to move. SPY got a little bit of a oil above 90. WTI crude's above 94. Here it goes. This should start to get nutty over here very soon. Yeah, here it goes. 3 cents off the previous day high. Amy popping a little bit here. So is the SPY, but these oil stock, there it is. New day high on Oxy. Here we go. Green on my Exxon calls. There you go. All right. What are these contracts at right here? Are they finally back into the green? Where are they? Yeah. Whoa, man. These premiums on Oxy are inflating really hard for no reason. So people are flying into these oil stocks right now, and the SPY's coming up a little bit, but with oil, so that's the move here. 94.11 on oil. Oxy doing good. All right, let's see. What are these up right now? 22%. There it goes. Got out too early on SLB. Oil up 580. Yeah. All right. Amy trying to pop here. SPY trying to do its thing. Let's see what happens with this. Metalhead Mailman, thank you so much. Super. I appreciate all your hard work. I also heard you had an ankle issue. Hang in there. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. I don't have an ankle issue. Everybody in my chat has an ankle issue. All right. Oxy 40. Yeah, here it goes. So where's oil? So now all the other oil stocks are starting to move off of that. Interesting. So SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move here. This is nice. Come on now. So Amy getting a little bit of a pop, trying to get back above 19. Even Oxy 4150 call that I held overnight. Oh, you're absolutely printing. That's what I think we had yesterday. 24% on Occidental. All right. There it goes. Come on. New day highs. I want Oxy at 4250 is what I want to see. Amy pop. SPY trying here. Let's see. Where's USO? USO chilling. CVX. Oh, look at that Chevron candle right there. Jeez. Oxy back down. SPY moving back down here again. Better lotion up them ankles. I wonder if this oil spike will push EV stocks next week. Well, oil spike pushes oil stocks up. So watch, EV might sell off on that. So let's see what happens here. It's holding at these levels. Let's see where it is. 94.16. Yeah, that's nasty. Amy holding right here. 18.96. Oxy 42. Oh, here it comes. They're shorting STV's ankles. They're trying. They're trying. They don't want you guys to see my ankles for some reason. All right. What are these at? 23%. AMC should announce they will stream any future war footage in theaters. No, stop it. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Let's see. All right, we got about 2 hours left. Spy's flickering around here. Let me shoot TMI this link really quickly for when he's done. Amy chilling out over here. All right, I think Twitter's working again. Yeah, I think Twitter's back working. Oh, there comes Oxy looking like he wants to make a new day high. Come on, jokes on us. SCV has prosthetic legs. Nah, you guys have seen the ankles before. Is Enron running? Funny. Let's see here. How are these Oxys only 13%? All right, here we go. Spy flicker in here. CNBC Ukraine news. Yeah, 67% on my CVX call from yesterday. There you go. Yeah, here comes Occidental again. Looking for that new day high. If it breaks that previous day high, it's going to go. Physically send AMCs to the moon? That'd be hard to do. Wow, the volatility on these things are crazy. Wow, 94.26 on oil. You just did your option with 10x leverage. Is that bad? That's really bad. That could go to zero and you have no more money ever. ATVI back to green? No way. No way. No way. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. That's hilarious. Yeah, here Oxy goes. New highs over here on it. Yeah, there it goes. There, yep, here comes on Occidental. These are up now 39%. I'm holding the shit out of these. I think these are going to go nuts by close. Exxon running. Yeah, all of these are going to start to go off this news here. Yeah, 94.26. They're going to start to push them, I think. AMC's at 18.87 right now. Spy's still coming down. GME's trying to bounce. These oil plays, though, are going nutty. Don't underestimate what the U.S. government will do for the economy. Yeah, oil is printing right now. That's why I was playing these today. I was like, this has got to get going at some point. So my target on Oxy here is going to be 42.50. If it hits that, I think I'm going to scale out. UVXY is running too. Yeah, ATVI because of World of Warcraft because it has war in the title. All right, Oxy looking for a new high. Dang, I'm up a lot on these contracts right now. Oh, man, I'm up a lot on these contracts. This is a good trade to close out the week after a shitty day of chasing this morning. All right, here it comes again. Yeah, here it comes. These are dirty. Amy bouncing up a little here. Spy trying. Here comes Oxy. What number are we aiming for to close in the money calls? TLT is still going. My TLT puts are still up 23%. My Oxy calls are up 64%. All right, let's see. Here it comes. 42.50. I'll sell half of them. LMT is ripping. Is it? All right, so the war stocks are Lockheed. Yeah, Lockheed starting to go. Spy selling off here. All right, Oxy's hitting the target right here. Really close. Really, really close to getting up here. There it is. Close. Let me see. What am I up on this? All right, so I have 12 contracts. Oh, man, there it goes. This is dirty. 70% on Occidental. Do we just diamond hand it today or we just say cut some of them, right? I'll cut some of them right here. I'll sell like 8 of them. Actually, I'll sell 8 of them. What is it at right now? Oh my God, this thing is going nutty. All right, let's see. Amy trying to pop back up here. Spy trying to do the same. Oh my God, Oxy. Forced liquidation warning. Fuck off. That's what I have to say to that. Sell it. Yeah, I'll sell this right here. All right, I just sold 8 of them. So I have 4 left to go. I'm still, wow, they're up 84%. All right, let's see. I'm going to hold the rest of these into close, see what happens on this. Oh my God, this is getting nutty, people. TLT printing, is it? Hold on. Where's TLT? This could be the TLT play here. Okay, so TLT's coming up. I added to some of those calls. My puts on TLT are still up. My puts and calls on TLT are in the green. This is kind of crazy. My Occidentals are up 91% right now. I'm going to let those ride. SPY trying to do its thing. This is crazy. AMC and GME are still green. You just hit a 100% on Oxy. There you go. That's what we like to see. Where is it? Oh my God. Here it comes. This is what we were looking for all day long. Oil up, Oxy up, and it just wasn't doing it. I guess I diamond handed this time, huh? All right. So Amy, 1892, it's trying to come back up. SPY's trying to get a little bounce here. Oil doesn't really show any signs of slowing down right now. I'm up 105% on these Occidentals. Jeez, man. Man, there it goes. SPY back down. Where's oil right now? Is it up 95? 94.36. 180% on TLT. There you go. Yeah, the Oxys are still up 91%. Oh, Mass Gang. What's up, people? Wait, hold on. Do I have a... All right, let's do this thing. All right. Amy coming down. SPY coming down. Oxy selling off a little bit here. That was a decent sell. What's oil doing? Coming down. Lucky TLT? No, that was not lucky. That was both sides. So calls and puts on TLT are exploding. Well, no, not exploding. The puts are up 15. The calls are up 7. So SPY coming down. All right, this could get nutty. Thank you. Anytime. Micron printing. There you go. What were you aiming at to close at for the in the money calls? Well, on Oxy, I wanted for what was it? 42.50. Yeah. So Occidental coming down. SPY is selling really, really hard right now. What is USO and all those other oil plays doing? USO coming down. CVX coming down. Probably. Yep. SPY is getting hammered right now. All right. So I might take the remainder of these Occidentals off the table. 1,000%? Jeez. There you freaking go. Guys, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. This is craziness in the market right now. All right. I'm going to ditch the 2 more of these Occidentals. See if I can get filled at this. All right. Got filled. Filled at 2 more of them. I got 2 left on the table that I'll probably hold until close if it really gets nutty. But we'll see. Yeah, the Ukraine news broke. No earnings. TLT is printing up 300% now. Yeah, so I went for the Marches. So my TLT play is for March. If that hits, it's going to be absolutely freaking dirty, like thousands of percent on that could be the TLT play. I don't know though. That's why I went really small. I played it both ways, mainly for the anticipation of a potential emergency rate hike. Oxy coming down. SPY is selling really hard right now. This is getting gnarly, people. Press briefing from Russia going on. Yep. Quick being excited for what is crashing. Hey, Rodney, if people are making money, that is really, really good in this marketplace. So don't you do that over there. So I have puts and calls on TLT. Masquerade, what's up, people? How you guys doing? Let me see if he popped in yet. Not yet. Oh wait, hold on. No, nothing yet. SPY coming. Ooh, hold on. All right, I'm gonna hold these last 2 oxys until the end of the day. Oil 94.29. Finally, that oil hit, dude. That was insane. I was waiting for those all day long. All right, AMC over here at 1875, still in the green. SPY trying to make its way back up. Here comes Oxy, GME, green candle. What's up, Alex? How you doing, buddy? 500% in TLT in 3 minutes? Did you really do that? TLT, is it still going? That's a flight into bonds. Oh, shit. Okay. Here it comes. All right, people. Careful on TLT, but if it goes, it goes. So the TLT puts are up. The TLT calls are up 33%. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'll leave it. That's 100. Yeah, okay. Yeah, here comes SPY flushing. TLT looking decent. Occidental, what are we looking at over here? Nah, just kind of chilling here. White House is harassing Russia. I want to harass Russia. Tell them to stop. There you go, David Morgan. Just made a bit of money on an 1850 call. Looking for the next play. Anything looking good? Alex, I was hunting these oil plays all day, and now I'm messing around with TLT. Well, I had the TLTs from yesterday, up 660% on TLT. Oh, that's dirty. There you go. Yeah, all right. Oxy coming down. What's up with these? So the oil plays just ripped and then came back down. They could easily come back up. Let's see. Donnie, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Donnie, I did not paper hands my Oxy calls. Up over 100% on those. Those were dirty. What are your thoughts on the newest persona to AMC Futures, aka Dwayne The Rock Johnson? Oh, I think it's a great addition to the community. He's gonna add a lot of spice, I think. Leo, thanks for the super, buddy. Asking on what platform do you trade on? I want to set up a cash account. I use Webull. Thank you guys for the supers. Oxy, Amy. Whoa, Amy candle just went into the red. Where's TLT right now? Is it still booming? It's settling down here. The thing about TLT is it can short squeeze. Am I late for TLT? It does look spicy. I would say no, but I'm playing it both ways because this move right here would send it up with everything. So like this weird move with like war would have everybody fly into bonds, but it easily can come right back down if they do an emergency rate hike, I think. SPY trying to move here. Oxy back up. Biden won't risk troops if people choose not to leave. Well, that's not great. Heck was that? TLT's up 34%. The puts are still, I have puts and calls right now up on TLT. Yeah, it was expensive. It's expensive today. Oil's coming back. I mean, SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Amy, 1855. GME's still slightly in the green. Oil's coming back. SPY's over. So AMC Ortex, please. Yeah, it's going to be insane. 3.75 million borrowed shares so far. 3.78 million borrowed shares. So here comes oil back up again. So, well, SPY's making a move here. So these could get a little dirty. 25% gain in TLT calls just in 2 minutes, in and out. There you go. Yeah, also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algos. Thank you guys so much. This is getting absolutely dirty. Oh, Oxy coming back up, approaching that previous day high over here. I mean, I'm happy I left these other two contracts on the table just for fun. They're up 87%, 90% right now. Amy trying to make its way back up here. Citadel, Russia, China. I don't know what that is. So yeah, Chevron running. All these oil plays are going. White House cabinet needs to. All right. U.S. says Russian invasion could begin next week. That's not good. Bloop, bloop. Ho, what's up, buddy?
And bam. Oh, hold on. Hello?
I hear you.
Can't hear anything.
Can you hear me? Oh, boy.
Uh-oh.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, there we go. What's popping?
Dude, I was hunting those oils all day long. They finally hit.
There we go.
Nice. How you doing?
I am exhausted.
Yeah.
I am mentally and physically exhausted. You know what's tiring me out?
SPY.
I was going to say Gasparino's wife. No. We started off hot today, people. It's Friday. We're going to have some fun today.
Yeah.
I honestly think that SPY's doing the damn thing today. SPY's really coming in here and just shitting the bed.
You see TLT?
Lawrence said same today. Oh, I don't think he actually fully heard what I said. He said same. I was like, damn, you too? Okay. All right.
Getting around.
Okay. No, I had SPY puts that I had from yesterday actually, that I just had as a hedge, and they paid out well. But my AFRM long term is getting slapped. I had an average below $52 for AFRM. It was north of 70. I bought like just buying shares, not contracts, just buying shares.
Ooh.
And in my long-term portfolio, I'm like, this is gonna be great. It's a long-term hold, yada yada yada. And then yesterday got slapped. Today it's getting slapped again. So the puts almost make up for the loss today. It's the point
Yeah.
where I'm thinking of just taking that and just averaging down AFRM.
They're gonna be
But
fine long term, I think.
I know. But look at the drastic change. I'm looking at it yesterday. I was like, see, this is what long-term investment looks like, guys. You don't have to do too much. You can just get in. 3 hours later.
Dead. Dead. Oh man.
This is what you get.
Here comes Oxy again. I went kind of big because I was like, screw it. Oil's ripping. I know this is gonna go. And it literally just did not move the entire day. And I was like, this is nonsense. Oh, the WTI cruise at 94 and it hadn't moved. So I just kept buying them. And then it exploded. So I'm out. I've sold 10 of my 12 and I have 2 left to ride into close. And they're up 100%, I think. Some maybe more now. But the people hit like 600% TLT plays.
Oh my gosh. And I had a TLT play that didn't fill.
Oh,
It just didn't fill. I think I was just asking for too. You know, you try to get it right in between. I think I was just asking for too much. And I didn't go back to it. I think I just forgot about it.
I just woke up.
Actually, that's what took me the longest time in between jumping from my stream to yours. I was like, okay, let me just check to see what's going on here. And I just saw that empty ask, and I was just like,
yeah.
It is what
I had them for yesterday. The reason why I got them yesterday is because of that like weird potential for like the emergency rate hike. So I was like, oh, I'll just play it both ways for March. So my puts and calls are green right now.
Oh,
weird. So it's gonna move. I think it's
volatility.
Gonna move.
Yeah, the volatility is all-time high right now. Yeah, this is great for anyone who wants to play calls for NVIDIA.
Is it selling hard?
NVIDIA's down 6%. AMD's down, I want to say 8%.
Jeez.
And then they had a Chinese chip maker that reported record level earnings for this quarter. So I'm like, so you already have examples of what's going to happen. AMD already did well in their earnings, right? So I'm like, all right, so hold on a second. 6% dip before this emergency meeting. We might continue. I'm not going to buy too many calls now. I have a couple, but I'm going to buy more Monday. If we continue to see a dip, I'll buy some more.
If you want cheap ones, Micron's not bad. I've been messing around with Micron. I just can't hold them. I just suck at it. But I held on the Oxy today. I did good.
That's crazy.
I went really big. I was like, screw this. Because I kept getting head faked in the morning and I was like, oil, it's going. But Oxy didn't move. It was so weird. It's kind of like what we're seeing with AMC. It's like we're seeing all of the good data come out and it's like, it's just not moving.
Do you think Oxy's priced in for good moves already?
I think it can hit 50 on its earnings and then it's like, I mean, I think the high is like 80 on it.
When's the earnings for Oxy?
The 22nd, I think. These contracts expire in
like for a while. Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, I've only played Oxy twice so far.
It's weird.
It runs in the morning
and sells off, but it's fun.
Yeah, I haven't hit it too well so far. I think I have maybe an 8% gain. And then I had like a 12% gain, something like that, but I haven't quite hit it right yet. And that sounds crazy when I said it, but you know what I mean?
Yes, I do.
GME. Oh man, yeah. AMC and GME did that same dip.
These candles are just SPY coming back up. Galaxy.
All right, buddy. I'm gonna go get myself some food. People,
have some fun.
Have yourselves a great weekend. If I don't catch you guys then, I'll catch you guys later on Monday. If you guys haven't yet, smash that like button. Let's get the vibes up. End off the week right. All right, guys. Deuces. Take care, buddy.
Later, buddy. All right, people. Yeah, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. How many people? Oh, we got 2,300 of you beasts in here. You guys are slacking. Oh, I'm just kidding. All right. Oxy, it's coming back up. SPY's getting a little bit of a move here. Amy, let's see if we can get it back above 19. We're up about 0.6%. GME starting to get a little bit of a move. Where's TLT with you TLT crackheads, you freaking crazy people? It's coming back down now. So TLT does do this. It'll shark fin on you. But overall, I think having a TLT strangle is not the worst thing in the world to have in your options trading account right now. just in case. Oxy call for next week, strike 42, bought at 188. Does that look good? So Alex, I have contracts that expire today. If Oxy rips today, you're good. Just hit a 750% gainer on a SPY put. Jesus. So the thing about Oxy is that if oil continues to go, that'd be nuts. So oil right now, the WTI crude is at 93.69. It hit 94 today. That's like the high since 2014. That's huge. I could go to up above 100, and then it'll start to rip. Amy's trying to get back above this 200 EMA right here. Here it comes. SPY's getting a little bit of a bounce. Here comes Oxy. Here comes GME a little bit. Things are starting to turn back around over here. Activision moving. Is it now? Because I do have some Activision calls kicking around that are absolutely dead. They're still dead. So let's see. SPY doing its thing. Occidental. If Oxy hits freaking 43, which it could. Let's see, LMT. So Lockheed was the one that could have, Lockheed moon mission over here. So after this Russia-Ukraine news, we're finally starting to see that move with the war stocks. So SPY's moving back up here. Amy's trying to get back above 19. You have a $50 Oxy call for March 4th. You're probably printing. Thanks, SCB. I appreciate the info. Anytime, Alex. So the thing about the oil plays is I typically don't play Oxy with 1348 because it moves a lot in the pre-market. So if I see oil starting to go, I'll just buy a little bit of Oxy calls. Today, I YOLO'd it a little bit just because it was really starting to get spicy. And it worked. It was down, though, at 1.50%. Like, this wasn't like a 1348 thing. This was just me YOLOing on oil. So that's not like a following the rules thing. The reason I held it was because it was just oil was going up so fast, and the oil stocks were not moving. TLT shark fin. Yeah, TLT. So that was a nice flight into bonds, and then they were just like, just kidding. Is it late for the Oxy call? Today, yes. I got the Oxys probably back here somewhere around this morning, and I really went for it. So those were good. Nice little 100%. LMT going crazy. Yeah, I was getting a red candle last time we looked at it. Oxy 42.46. Amy coming back up a little bit here. Come on, Put City. You guys crushed it. They surprised Palantir ain't ripping with war news. That's true. That is true. U.S. does not believe Putin has made a final decision on invasion. Did that just come out? So that might pump the market a little bit into close. Yeah, oil back down. I might I got two more of these contracts. I'll hold these for a while. What strike on Oxy did you have? I had the 42. So I bought it when it was right around like 41.90 something, and it just ripped. So AMC right now 1883. We got GME trying to make a move here. SPY's trying to come back to life. Let's see what happens. Palantir didn't tell them the war was coming though. They probably did. Just made 15 grand off LMT. I paper handed and couldn't resist, but these profits are going straight into AIMS. Dude, good job. Jesus. I checked gun stocks mode. Moon oil must have been the big play. Oil and Lockheed were big. USO was good. I mean, Oxy was only like 120%, I think. What's up with the likes this afternoon? Damn said. Yeah, guys, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Help get Amy with a candle here. Here we go. Amy's ripping. I like to see this. Here we go, people. 1905. We're getting some buyers coming in. Here we go. Come on now. Here we go. Come on, Amy. Do your thing. Do your thing, Amy. 1905. I like that. Where's Oxy? Coming up. How are those TLT bots doing for you now? Great. They're still green. Let's see. Are they still green? Yep. I'm still up 14% on my TLT puts, and I am up 18% on my TLT calls. The volatility on that option chain spiked. AMC's at 1905. SPY's coming up here a little bit. GME's coming up here a little bit too. All righty. Go, Amy. Yep. Up 126% on Oxy calls. There you go. That was another dirty Oxy trade. We've hit a couple of those over the past couple of weeks. Got two $20 strike for AMC next week. Those are going to be green soon. Alex, there you go. All right, we're hanging right around 19 here, people. SPY is just added 200 more AMC, says Sam. Attaboy. That's what we like to see. Today is wild. I told you today was going to be wild. All righty. AMC is pretty much saying we can still go to the movies even if we go to the war, and I agree. Yeah. Why do we have a huge dip? Fears over the Russia-Ukraine invasion. Now we're starting to move back up here. What's oil? Is it below 93? Nah. Not yet. Amy, 19 flat right here. Sell your AMC quick. It's going to crash today. You know what's going to crash? Your availability to be able to say messages in this chat. Timeout. There you go. Amy coming back up a little bit here. Oxy coming back to life. Spy's moving here. 1904 and 1905 on Amy. Here we go. Is there a cutoff for buying and selling options on Webull on Friday? If they're in the money, they'll sell you out at like 130. To buy them, it would be 2. You can't buy them past 2. Yep. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, we want this 5-minute MACD cross. We got it on the SPY. We want it on Amy, and everything just go back up. How's BBIG going? Probably terrible, not going to lie. Yeah, down 4.5% today. Not good. Not too good. Amy, 19 flat here. Hold your horses. Amy above 20 end of the day. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping. Here we go. Let's see if the buyers are going to step back in on this thing. 2001 close. That would be sweet. Making money. Dude, a lot of you guys printed today. Here comes Oxy. I am an oil baron. Just kidding. Can everything just go back up? STV 2022. Exactly. And I asked, ask and you shall receive. All you got to do is ask the market nicely. I think that's how it works, right? Amy with the Friday flex. Dude, it wants it. It wants it. If SPY comes back up. See, again, what I thought SPY was going to come back up and close. I just didn't think we were going to see the massive sell-off first. All right, let's see. Why is Boeing down? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Damn it, it's too late to buy options now on SPY. Yeah. Well, you can buy the Mondays, and you're just not going to make as much. How much are these Occidentals up? Let's see here. 88%. That's not bad, man. That is not bad. Well, how did I play all the wrong ones today? You lost a lot. Trey's mustache. Didn't you trade Oxy? I thought you were in on the Oxy trade. I thought you got those. VIX is going to hit 30. It would come down here off of this. How long can the hedgies pay the interest to borrow forever? They can pay as long as it doesn't go up, which it hasn't been going up recently. Ben Levine, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. 30 minutes ago, I set up an aggressive strangle on the SPY for Monday. Pretty tasty already. Ben, attaboy. I think we could easily see a lot of volatility going into next week. So yeah, the Oxy one was my YOLO of the day. Well, my Oxy is down 6%. Good thing I have expiration next week. Still has room to grow. Yeah, Alex, 100%. You could see some crazy oil moves. You might have bought it up here at the high, but it is coming back up though. So if SPY starts to get up here, oil is probably not going to slow down that much today, especially oil stocks. So just, I mean, if you like it, go for it. Alrighty, people. Yeah, as you're filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I think I'm the only one streaming Amy right now. So let's this is the craziest day that we've seen ever. Oxy making its move back up here. Here's a solution. Crosses on the wrong side of the 200 we call offside crosses. Maybe. You chased Oxy, but you like it a lot. I've played a lot of Oxy recently. I probably would have made more money if I just held weeklies on it overnight. Here it comes again, back up. I held contracts overnight on it yesterday and made I think we made 100% on Oxy yesterday too. All right, people. Here we go. SPY doing its thing over here. Oh, 110% on Occidental. Bing bong. There we go. So what do we got going on? Biden said he's going to call Putin on his flip phone. Biden's oh God. Sorry, I had to. It's just a bunch of nonsense. Playing anything through Monday? No. TLT, that's it. Just TLT. So TLT is pricing in a bigger move now. So things could get real spicy coming up. So let's see what happens on TLT. This is going to get a little bit wild. Micron, February 25th calls will print. I think they could. Yep, over 100%. Yeah, yesterday morning with Oxy overnight. I remember that one. That was a good one. Amy coming back down a little bit here. SPY doing the same thing. Occidental doesn't show any signs of slowing down. I'll hold these last two contracts probably right up until close. John Stewart just mentioned GameStop in his Twitter. Really interesting. AMC ripped to 21 before the end of the day. It's possible. All right. SV, I don't care to be on any other stream than this one. You bring the most value. Appreciate that, buddy. I mean, we're always printing over here. Scott, thank you so much for the super. Can you make a separate video on the 1348 strategy? We have them out from Gabe. So if you click, so everybody, if you guys do want to learn more about it, make sure you check out that link to the free part of the Discord in the top. There's a mandatory video, like watch before you pay for premium section. You got to watch those videos, learn the strategy. There's videos out there on it. They're all from Gabe Review Dork. So Spy's coming back down now. Oxy selling a little. Amy 1883. GME selling off a little bit here. All time low on a firm. Let's see. Alrighty. Peloton. You're hoping. Let's see. All right. Spy selling. Amy selling. Where's oil right now? Did it get back above 94? No, oil selling off here. Your stream has become my favorite, and I've been watching streams every trading day for a year. Thomas, I appreciate that, buddy. So Occidental selling off here. So the oil plays are kind of coming back down. Now, if it touches the 13 and rips again, that would be interesting. The 5-minute MACD crosses, I might get out. GME coming back down. I'm like, is LMT still going? Lockheed coming back down a little, but 3% move in Lockheed. What are these premiums at? Oh, shoot. These are dirty today. 2,500%, 1,900% on Lockheed. Good for you guys that hit that. Man, Spy coming back down over here. I'm buying the premium this weekend. This strategy really works for me, and it's my preferred style of trading. David, welcome, buddy. All right, I might take one more Oxy. Okay, that was a really poor way to say this. I might sell one more of the Oxys. That's also a bad way to say it. Occidental. All right, I'll try to get filled at this right here. Sell one. Wow, it filled. They're really filling me on these wherever I want. I'm just messing with them. Snap crashing. Everything's selling off here. Everything's getting a little wild in this biatch. All right, Amy coming down. Spy selling off here. Come on, 19. I'd love to see some 19. We're about 20 cents off. Oxy is turning up. I have one more left. Don't do drugs. Sorry. Team on SV make the best content on YouTube. Educational, entertaining. It's not easy combo. Yeah. Thank you, Alex. I appreciate that. It is really hard to trade while you're streaming. I tried to do it a couple of times. It's very overwhelming. Sometimes my brain doesn't work, like this morning, and I'll just YOLO into stuff and be like, why did I do that? Perfect inverse head and shoulders on AMC if we go now. Yeah. 1885. Yeah, Oxy doing all right. Spy trying to pull up here. It's trying to get this 5-minute MACD cross. Bets on Spy closing above the 200. I don't have the MA. I have the EMA, though. AMC will start to rip at 230. That would be interesting. Oxy 10.5. I don't know what that is. Yeah. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. This is crazy. If you guys were making money today, let me know. You guys have been cranking. U.S. National Security Advisor says 100,000 Russian troops amassed on Ukrainian border. Oh my God. Yeah, Alex, I feel you, buddy. Occidental chilling. Oh man, Spy's gonna move down off of that, I think. What is the premium offer? You get alerts on the 1348 crosses on multiple different time frames, cryptos, small caps, everything, on like 300 different stocks. And you get private live streams with me, Gabe, TMI 2 nights a week. 600% on Spy puts. You dirty dog. You dirty dog. Let's see. Amy coming down. Oxy coming down to this 13. You're making money on Oxy? There you go. If we're going to war, I'm going long on Oxy. Yeah. Yeah. Amy still in the green. GME just went into the red. Spy's down 1.83%. I was holding a 447 for yesterday, and that would have been up like a lot. VIX calls saved my portfolio. There you do. There you go. There you go, people. All right, hold on. We got more news over here. Fed, wait, no, that's FDA. People at risk of develop. What? A firm 52-week low. Yeah, that's not ideal for a firm. Where's a firm right here? Did anybody hold their Affirm put? Ben, did you hold your Affirm puts? Yeah, Gabe's fine. I talked to him yesterday. What are the live streams about? So we go over all of the market news on Sundays every night so every Sunday night we go over all of the things that are about to happen in the market over the next week and what we think is about to happen. We talk about that. We answer all questions, trading strategy. We go over trades. We're also going to start talking to members. GME with a candle right here to the downside. Jeez, Amy coming back up though on it. So we do like a whole market breakdown going into the week. And then on Monday nights, we basically go over, okay, after the first trading day, what do things look like after the news that's come out? 300% on VIX calls. There you go, buddy. All right. Occidental coming back down. Where's oil? Yeah, oil coming back down. I got one more contract left. I'll probably take it back soon. Still up 37% on it. Dang, those military solutions should be avoided at all costs, says Trudeau. Hold on. All right, Occidental coming down again. We got about an hour and a half left. I'll hold it. Doesn't really matter at this point. TLT, though. TLT back up. Amy coming down. SPY down again. Can you give an Amy or text update? Yes, yes, yes. Also, guys, sold my firm puts for a weak ass 500%. Shut up, Ben. Utilization 100% on AMC. 1.47% average cost to borrow. 22.07% estimated short interest. 2.49 million net borrowed shares against that thing today. SPY trying to make a little tiny move here. Occidental, what are we looking like? Yeah, it's all right. Let's see. UVXY going nuclear. Yeah, I bet it is. What oxy was I in? The 42s. I had a bunch of them earlier today and then sold 8 of them when it was up like 100, 70, 80%, I think. And then I sold another 2 and then I sold another 1 and then I'll get another one soon. You may join. How's the member return rate? Backyard Boogie, why don't you just go join the free part and look at the gains channel and then just talk to the people in there? Like, obviously, I want you to come join, but like, just talk to the people that are in the Discord, buddy. There's a lot of people in here that are also in the Discord. Guys, what do you think about 1348? How's it going for you? Let's see. 690% on SPY puts. Yeah, 1348 would have caught this one right here. You get in below the 200 and then you're down. Thank you so much for the super. We should probably get married so you don't get drafted. Don't ask, don't tell, homie. I can be your hero, baby. That was funny. Yeah, so look at all these responses. Love 1348 gains, changed my life. Exactly. It works. Follow the rules. Exactly. If you watch them every day, you know it works. That's true. Learn the 1348 in 2 days. It's too good. Exactly. 1348 is a game changer. Yeah. Like, look, 91% win rate, says David Morgan. That's dirty. That's higher than mine. Yeah. See? Boom. Great for day trade. Exactly. So if you want to see if you guys aren't in it, you guys should join the free part of the Discord. There's literally no harm in learning the strategy. And then if you want premium, go for it. You don't have to. I just want everybody to learn the strategy so that they can make money. $5,000 this week on 1348. There you go, buddy. Since 1348, I'm starting to think I will never lose again. Which ticker do I watch for crude oil prices? You could look at USO, but I just go on crude oil or oilprice.com, and it's just, I'm looking at WTI crude. Brent crude's up 3.13%. WTI's up 3.53. Oxy making its way back up here. 2 weeks, and I'm up 500% doing it from the free section. That's nasty. All right, what do we got over here? U.S. stepping up bigs to ward off Equatorial Guinea from hosting a Chinese base. That's a weird development. Oh, here comes Occidental coming back up. SPY coming back up here. Amy approaching 19. Here we go. Yeah, learn and then just decide if you like it. 1348 so dirty. I have to shower after trading. There you go. Would love to see a video by, yeah. Okay, I'll try to make one this weekend. I do have exams next week that I have to take, so I'm kind of screwed. But we'll see. I got to study. Hit that like button. This ratio is weak. Thank you, Cruz. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way, it just helps out with the YouTube stuff. AMC, it is still in the green, up 1.5%, and the SPY is down 1.5%. This is such an awesome day. Think about it. When we've seen SPY fall like this in the past, 1%, how much has AMC been down? 15%? This is craziness. XOM's running again. Okay, so Occidental's probably going to get a little bit. Let's see. Cancel my plans tonight to dive into 1348. Good choice. Amy, 1880, SPY back down. Do you have to go to class to write your exams? Yes. That's a Chegg course. No, I know. It's also a real estate class exam, so I'm pretty much fine on it. I just have to look at what they're asking me and like brush up on some of the stuff. Let's see here. This war is going to crash everything. It could. It could. That's why I have TLT just in case. Both AMC and SoFi up. Yeah, Wilson, you got to follow the rules. You don't want to let your losses get over 15%, buddy. All right, Oxy flickering. What's this last contract at right here? 71%. This is crazy. Let's see. New to the channel, watching from Kansas. Louisa, welcome. Alrighty here. AMC is the hedge. Could be 15% though. If you would have stayed with Facebook, it's up over 100%. Yeah, I didn't cut it at 15. I think I cut it at like 10. Like I just didn't like it. Oxy hates me today. How? Oxy hated me earlier and then it moon missioned, which is what I thought it was going to do. So what happened at 130? There was no crude was over. Oxy or USO also had like reverse splits and stuff. Watch out for that. The actual oil price was up. What happened at 130? Just a lot of fears about Russia invasion of Ukraine. You're a paper hands like me. Yeah. Yeah. Also, you got to follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you're going to hurt yourself. Nobody that's followed the rules comes in here and is like, yeah, I suck. No. Well, maybe one. But other than that, everybody's like, yeah, every single trade that I miss is when I don't follow the rules. And it's like, yeah, that's what it's for. BP is down. They also recently had earnings, though. Origami hands. That's me. You got 3 Oxy options right before it ran. Got out at 85%. Attaboy. Alrighty here, people. So Amy, 18. Ooh, trying. Just trying. Rules are meant to be broken. If you want to lose money with 1348, yes. But if you want to make money with it, follow the rules. The rules are not meant to be broken at all. So let's see. Yeah. Okay. So Amy right now, 1881, doing all right. Spies, it's holding. GME down about 35 cents on the day. Oxy up about $1.79. Here we go. Vix, hear me out. AMC should buy an oil company and add gas pumps to their parking lots. AMC gas? No. Let's see. Losing money is what I do best. Making money? Don't understand the concept. That's wrong, Ben. You are crushing it over here. I don't want to hear it. Amy, come on. Let's get some 19. I formally request a 19 on Amy. Will you hold TLT over the weekend? Yeah, it's for March. The TLT strangle I have is just a hedge against like craziness happening in the market. DraftKings, watch the SPY on it. DraftKings could get a little pump into close. So you could trade the next 5-minute MACD cross, a little bit on it. So Amy, 1886. SPY's just kind of flickering around here. Oxy. Do you paper trade with settled cash? You can't trade on Webull with No, if I make a deposit, I have to wait 4 days to use it for options. 4 or 5 days. So I just made another deposit today for fun. Because I have more longer term positions now, and I want to have more cash to play around with. 1878 on Amy. SPY moving back down. Your thoughts on why market drops haven't caused squeezes? Because when the market crashes, the squeeze plays go down and they make money. Why did you buy puts on TLT? One, it's heavily shorted. If bond yields skyrocket, TLT tanks. So that's why I got the puts on TLT. The puts and calls are both green right now, which is pretty interesting. Are we in a recession yet? Recession just has to do with 2 quarters, I believe, of declining GDP. So no, I think we had good GDP numbers coming out, which was interesting. But let's see here. A formal request for 19. It's definitely a done deal. Exactly. I formally request some 19. Every single time I've done it. I mean, on Twitter, when I do it, it works. So there's no such thing as negative beta. Negative beta can track previous price movements, but not future ones. Yeah, because of war happens. Right. We all go to the movies. All right. Spy down, Amy down, Oxy chilling. What's the word on last minute plays? I'm gonna ride this little last Oxy out, see what happens, and then 1348. I just keep winning. Got 124 puts on AMD. Enjoying the ride, Mr. Wacko. There you go, bud. I love to see you winning. Is there anybody, nobody else, okay, here, I'm going to make a bold claim. No other Discord has people making this type of money all the time. It's not there. I've never seen one. Like, you guys are crushing it. It's awesome. But let's see. Tesla down 5. I formally request 20. Yeah, Nate, sorry. Only I can formally request. I'm kidding. I formally request 19, and then I will submit another formal request after that for 20 if we break it. Hugh, thank you so much for the super. Went from being down 800 today to 0. Thanks, War. There you go. Nancy's Discord is pretty lit, but it's really hard to get in. Yeah. Let's see. All right, people. Just bought a TLT strangle. Okay, TLT is not. You mean 136 and 138? Because TLT is over $100. Oxy key level support 42.31. Well, it's at 42.47. I don't see it coming down that far. It'll hit this 13, and even if it comes down here, this is 42.23. Well, yeah. Can you formally request 100,000, please? That one's a little bit. That's a hard ass. So Spy back down again. Oxy coming down to the 13. This will be the best war ever. What? Formally request MOAS? I don't think I can do that. I don't think that's how it works. I can formally request the next price up, and it usually works. Was there a Fed announcement? No, it was just fear over the new war stuff, which is crazy. Can you put me in timeout? I need to work on myself. Rands, you're a wild boy today. All righty here. My bad. I was really scared for you. I don't know what you got. Yeah, who is saying the best war ever? I don't think there is such a thing of that. All right, here comes Oxy again. Let's see if it goes. I mean, it might. What's oil at right now? It's coming back up a little bit. Thomas, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Can you show us the options chain on AMC and GME? Yes. So Amy this week, decent amount at 19, decent amount at 20. Nothing too crazy though. For next week, it's not that wild either. There's a decent amount at 20, nothing wild though. For GME, it's usually slightly less. Here comes Oxy again. For GME this week, nothing. For next week, also nothing until you get to 130. Formally request Moon. I'm trying, people. I'm trying. Who needs WMDs when we have MOAS? That's true. Thoughts on Spy? I think it sucks today. That's sorry. Like that's all I can give you. I don't know. Let's see. Through 16 at a hood put because duh. There you go. All right, Amy, you're not listening to my formal request right now, and it's making me upset. All right, what are the Oxys at? Dude, how are both the TLTs up? 66% on the Occidental. All right, well. Buy BB now. Corey, you like BB? Have you ever tried sending a strongly worded letter to MOAS? I would need the address. I formally request ankles, so 20. All right, peoples. Let's see what we have going into the end of the day. One last play for the day. Okay, what do you want? I don't know. What's crossing? You have any crosses? Anything moving kind of crazy? How's Disney looking? Probably shitty. Walt Disney. Disney cross down, breaks below the 200, right at 152, all the way to 148. Bing bong. I think most people winning with 1348 are taking profits or just increasing the number of contracts per play. No. I don't know what you mean there. 42069 Moat Street. Funny. Funny guy. Oxy chilling here. Amy, you heard my formal request. I formally request a big, long, spicy green candle on AMC. How many calls in the money for AMC? It's like 60,000, I think. It's right around 60,000. UVXY moving. I bet it is. If there's war, I'll put all 20K into SPY puts. You'll make a boatload of cash. You were sweating. My puts coming into today. I'm freaking printing. I'm up over 300% today. Money gun going brr. There you go, buddy. There's Warren Ukraine. Will you go there and stream live and show us? No, sorry. I won't do that. How are your oxys? I'm up 82%. I don't know. I got out of most of mine. I only have one left. I think it's up. What is it? It's up 51%. Might just take it now. SPY approaching that previous low. It's got about 20 cents to go. AA tweet. What did he say? Hold on. Adam Aaron tweet. What did he say? 53 seconds ago. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. This is big. All right. In January, the officially reported short interest in AMC rose by 13.8% from 94.8 million shares short in December 31st to 107.8 million shares on January 31st. I still have an interest in 2.3 million AMC shares. So I hope those short sellers are wrong. Only time will tell. Ooh, Adam Aaron coming with the spice. Oh boy. Look at that Adam Aaron tweet right here. What do we say to this? That is dirty. I spelled silverback wrong. I spelled silver wrong again. Here we go. Adam Aaron. Bullish. Adam Aaron came out swinging. Woo! That was nice, man. Hey, coming with the heat. I mean, SPY made a new low, which kind of sucks. Yeah, I know. We know the officially reported short interest. That was dirty. That was pretty wild. Woo! AA said roll up. There we go. Choke on that. Yup. Yeah. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Put 5K into my account 2 weeks ago. Started using 1348, leaving it with a goal of hitting 25K at 7.5K now. There you go. Can you talk about Nvidia going into earnings? Sleepy, thank you for the super. I appreciate that, bud. I think so. Typically, you see it earnings run up. Sometimes with the market like this, I don't know if it's going to happen. You might just want to play the event. You can play AMD off the event too. Sorry. But yeah, AMD had good earnings. All these chip makers have been doing good. So let's see what happens with it. Oh, wait, hold on. What's Oxy doing? Oxy's sucking. I'm probably going to take this last contract right now. That was a dirty tweet by Adam Aaron. That was nice. All right, I just ditched the last Occidental contract over here. The new guy. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I had a feeling, bro. I told you about what? What do you have a feeling on? Does he mean the unofficial is more? Well, obviously, that's kind of what we expect. The unofficial is obviously more. But yeah, what was this number that he said? 107.8. 107.8. We've been talking about that for a little bit. It was nice to see AA tweet that, though. That's pretty nasty. That was pretty nasty. Hey, buy more shares. Yeah, he's got those 2.3 million. How's cost per hour negative? Because utilization's not at 100%. Let's see here. All right. Yeah, I'm out of the Oxy for the day. What else? Whoa, SPY's still coming down over here. What's TLT doing right now? We'll have TLT up here. Watch this thing. Oh, here comes TLT again. Shorts punching the air right now. You paper handed? No, that was a good trade. I diamond handed those all day long. He said wrong 3 times. It's a sign. You guys are funny. All right. Oh, TLT. Here it goes. US stocks extend losses. S&P falls 2%. Yup. Not good. All right. TLT. Okay, so the puts went red on TLT. The calls are up 36%. That's not bad. Sacrifice me for AMC 19 XYZ. Here you go, buddy. Sacrificed. You've been sacrificed to the AMC gods. All right, Amy coming down. TLT is getting a little bit spicy over here. Watch out. I'm going to make my next license plate 1348 EMA. There you go. The 3 wrongs mean moon at 3. I don't know about that. But we do have 9 minutes until power hour. It's looking like right now that we're going to get sour hour. Not going to lie. So we'll see. How come he gets a timeout and I don't? How about now, Rance? How about now? All right, people. TLT really getting up there. It's Amy coming down. SPY making new lows. Watch TLT get a boom over here. This could be gnarly. STV's sacrificial lamb. I love that. Up 400% on UVXY calls. There you go. If you don't sacrifice me, I will shill. Okay. There you go. You get a timeout. You get a timeout. Yeah, I'm Oprah in these timeouts out here. I've been a bad boy. Okay, this is hard. This is hard to do. Remember yesterday when I paper handed my SPY 449 puts that expired today? Time me out. I deserve it. You know what? Not a hedge fund. You do. I had 447s at one put fighting over timeouts. Yeah, I know. All right. SPY coming down. TLT just kind of hanging out here. This is Amy 1853 only down 7 cents on a day where the SPY is down horrendous. Okay, now 11 cents. Horrendously. Like, this is terrible. That's 2 days in a row of minus 2% on the SPY. Yeah, not a hedge fund. If people are asking for timeouts, give it to them. Oh, man. Timeout the server. Let's see. Where's my timeout? I don't know, man. Played hunches early in the morning and ended up on the wrong on every play. Didn't use 1348 and every play is down at least 96%. Keith, stop loss. Stop loss. Diamond handing at the end of the day possibly reduce losses. I mean, my oxys, I didn't know, but like I had a decent idea of where oil was going to go. Whew. Yeah, all 4 quarters of 2021 were positive GDP. Yeah. Smash that like. Thank you, Lawrence. I appreciate that, buddy. Alrighty. Amy trying to come up here a little bit. TLT flickering over here. What are those contracts at? I can't believe I paper-handed AMD puts. Oof. TLT calls 36%. Donnie, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. What the fuck did I start? I don't know, dude. We're sacrificing people. Are you out of Oxy now? Yes, I ran out. Wait, is it running? Please tell me it didn't just make a new high. Nah, yeah, I'm out of it. I don't know how much that was up. Let me look at the P&L just for. Dang, Oxy was really good recently. Woo, woo, woo. Back to back Occidental trades. There you go. All righty, people. What did Adam Aaron tweet? All right, we'll read it again. In January, the officially reported short interest in AMC rose by 13.8% from 94.8 million short shares on December 31st to 107.8 million shares on January 31st. I still have an interest in 2.3 million AMC shares, so I hope those short sellers are wrong. Only time will tell. Imagine if AA just becomes like the 2020s version of Patrick Byrne. and just is like screw the short sellers and just does everything he can to like force them out. That would be wild. You're up $8 on a TLT strangle. There you go. Rich. Facebook and Twitter puts go burr. Mine aren't. Didn't you capitalize that S? Wait, what did I do? Amy pop. Come on. My formal. All right. Amy's now flat on the day, which is crazy. Shills in the chat. Where? I want one. I want a shill. Give me one. Where's my shill? I don't see him. All right. So Spy's trying to make a little bit of a pop here. I don't really want Oxy on the screen anymore. Where's TLT? TLT hanging out around this more recent high. Please be Chan Chan. I wish it was Chan Chan. Max Payne for today, 18, I believe. I'll be a shill if you time me out. If you ask for it, I will time you out. All right. Hold on. What do we got here? AMC is fighting. Yeah, it's been fighting all day long. It's flickering red-green right now. When the SPY's down 2 freaking %. This is crazy. We need lube eyes. Yeah. Yeah, the oxys were dirty. I can't sacrifice you for longer, XYZ. Power hour going to be spicy? Yeah, we got 4 minutes to then time you out. All right, goodbye. Meet Kevin really pumped your channel? What happened? I've never talked to Meet Kevin. That would be pretty cool, though. Meet Kevin's I love Meet Kevin. Brandon Smith, what did Meet Kevin do? I'm going to say it's probably nothing, but I don't think he did. Keith, thanks for the super buddy. Not even upset though. Learned a great lesson. Looking forward to rebuilding my kingdom. I'm getting better at 1348 when I use it. I have 30% plus days. Success is connected to mindset. Mine plus. There you go. There you go. All righty. So, Amy, come on now. Come on now. Basically, A said he lost 11 million in January in AMC stock and is tired of the hedgy BS. Yeah. Me too. Timeout. All right, Mini Ape, you can stop spamming it now. All right, people, let's see what we got over here. Amy, that's trying, man. It's trying. It's trying to go. Meet Kevin canceled his channel. Oh, no. We've had the same amount of people here before and after Meet Kevin. Let's see. Plus, say it was worth it watching you paper hand Micron. Keith, that was rude. That was rude. You might get a timeout for that one. Alrighty. What's your favorite option strategy? What do you think? Monday interest rate hikes. If it does, I'll be prepared with DLT, but it's a closed door meeting. It's not open. Like it's a closed door meeting. Like if they're going to do it, they're going to do it at like 8 a.m. Well, he didn't cancel. He just stopped streaming, or maybe not. I don't know. I haven't been watching. I just heard he was freaking out a little bit. Spy trying to bounce here, but it's still down. Amy's up 0.5% right now. GME is down 28 cents. This is crazy. Sacrifice me again. All right, XYZ. There you go. Okay. Amy, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Thoughts on after hours today? Whole market. It's a Friday. It's probably gonna be a little bit lower volume. Does we will take 4 to 5 days typically. Are you itching to start? Yeah. For deposit, yes. For options, yes. He sold all of his stocks except AMC. Good for him. His favorite option trade, paper handing. Donnie. All right. TLT coming up. Let's see what happens to SPY. California sues Tesla over alleged rampant discrimination against black employees. Tesla, what you doing? What you doing over there, Tesla? I don't think Tesla's Tesla's coming down hard. If you got Tesla puts today on this 1348, you made boatloads of cash. We get free sacrifices when we subscribe. I guess so. Dottie, don't you give me that kissy face. I don't want, no. Let's see. What do we? I mean, TLT maybe. I don't know. I'm not really doing anything on TLT until something happens. Like it's happening now. It's starting, but I don't know if it's gonna continue this move. This feels kind of dirty. How does one paper hand? You just sell options too early. In all fairness, Hadi, that was funny. It is funny. I understand. TLT coming up here. High of the day, 138.37. Could do it. Amy, hold on. We're 30 cents off. Come on now. You never acknowledge me. All I want is to be sacrificed. Bye-bye, Jordan. Alrighty, people. I'm going to try this paper hand strategy. No. Don't do it. It hurts. All right. TLT's coming up again. Let's see what these contracts are at. Biden team unveils Indo-Pacific plan to counter China's clout. What? What are these news on? 45% on TLT calls now for March. That's gnarly. The premium on everything on all the TLTs are getting dirty. So we'll see. Now it's up. Wait, you sold Tesla earlier, bought an 860 strike, sold it too early. It's up 1,000% now. Exactly. How does that make you feel? Probably makes you feel terrible. All right. So Amy coming back up here a little bit. 1876. We got SPY trying to make a little bit of a move. GME trying. We're about to get these 5-minute MACD crosses. We got 59 minutes left. Do you realize you sing a lot? Yes, I do. I do a lot of singing. How's Oxy? I don't know. I'm out of it. That was a really good one. Yeah, I mean, it's coming back up, but I already made the money on it. Trey Raid X, thank you so much for the super. Any put ideas to hold over the weekend? I'm not holding anything except for TLT and like AMC, obviously, and the other stocks. Oh yeah, SPY put I sold at 447 really hurts today. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in just helps out with the algorithm. Just rinsed and repeat on TLT. There you go. I mean, it's going. Is it going now? Is it breaking that previous day high? Nah, it's coming down a little here, but those premiums are inflating. Sing Frozen and we rip? No. You're going to do SPY calls if SPY breaks over the 13 EMA on the 5-minute. Going into the end of the day today, it's broken it a few times. You need a closing candle above. Amy, 19 cents left. Not 18 cents left until 19. Jack Boydno here. You know what, Keith? DraftKings about to cross up. Nice. My creative strategy is buy high, sell low. Please don't do that. Probably the only one today that made money on SPY calls. Timed it with the sacrifice this 3 times. How the hell did you make this right here? This, and this is the only times you could have made money on SPY calls today. And like at that, not much. All right. Come on, Amy. Yes, always closing candle. There you go. TLT's it's approaching 138. Scalping SPY puts. Nice. Sacrifice me. All right, Mason. It's nice knowing you. Sacrifice. All right. Oh, there goes TLT again. This strangle on TLT, I think, is going to be nasty. I think it's going to be a little nasty. I want to add to it now, but I also don't. Mr. Biden has requested to sniff my ankle. He cannot. Sorry, I do not consent to that. SPY's coming up here. Amy's coming up. We need 8 cents for 19. All right. Let's see if these sacrifices are going to work. It has to be me. Kevin bought some Tesla on the dip today. 2.5% stocks now, 5% gold, rest cash. That's not terrible. Will TLT tank on Monday if Fed increase rates? I think so, but it also could rip because TLT can do random things. Max Payne. No, Max Payne's at 18. All right, XYZ, I got you. Hold on, stop spamming. I got you. All right, I'm timing you out. So XYZ keeps getting sacrificed. Here comes. I just sacrificed him. We're about to hit 19. Oh, we were so close. Come on. There it is. The sacrifices have worked. 1902. Here we go. XOM candle. Yeah, it's fine. SPY back up. Amy 1902. Sleepy, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Why is Facebook selling off? Because Facebook sucks. I don't know. Let me look. It's following the SPY today. It's just following the SPY. Amy 1903. Here it goes. And it had a nice little 1348. And TLT's coming back up here. This is wild. Is this Lou? I think so. They're working. Roblox slowly stirring. I remember my first day in the stock market. I wasn't nearly as wound up as you are on your first day. Are you saying this is my first day in the stock market, Rambo? That's interesting. Let's see here. Can you Thanos snap the chat? I can't do it. I don't know how to ban everybody or time out everybody. I would have to turn off the live chat. That's what I would have to do. Disable live chat, which I don't really want to do. All right, here. You must be new here. Hedgies are 5,000% short on ACM. Well, that's interesting. That's a lot. 1893 on Amy. Let's buy TLT down. GME rejecting off of that 200 EMA. Best case scenario, what would be the most realistic bullish finish today for Gamma Fireworks? 21. That was douchey. Yeah, it was douchey. I was like, all right, bro. All right, buddy. I can't remember my first day trading, but I was a paper hands pansy. Oh, so yeah, me too. All right, here, people. Amy, 1889, TLT doing its thing. Let's see. You had an AMD put at 128 sold this morning for an $8 profit because it took off. Now here AMD is at 113. Is AMD really at 113? Oh, no, 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 no. No. Let's see. Reply in the chat. I want to time you out. You can't. I'm the dictator around here. You can't time me out, not a hedge fund. Oxy looking good. Is it coming up to that previous day high? Not really. I'm happy with my Oxy trade. You people. All right, people. People. TLT, what's going on here? Oh, TLT back up. Do you think an AMC is going to cross before the end of the day? It could. It would need to really get going, though. AMC would really need to get going. Did SCV just say he's secretly Putin? No. No, I did not. That's not what I said. TLT ripping. What is this? North Korea? Yes, not a hedge fund. It is. Okay, somehow my TLT contracts my calls are up 36% and my puts are up 8%. This is crazy. They're pricing in a big move on TLT. Mad 120% on Twitter puts when TMI was on and it glitched. Uh-oh. Do you think implied volatility will stay up? Yes. Yeah, I know. I know about the AMD that RD has. I know about that. It's a lot. I know it's yep. It's still got time to come back, but that's a gnarly one. That's a gnarly one. Let's see. SPY back down. TLT right around 138 at 138. Oh, if TLT makes a new high today, you people with TLT contracts are gonna go nuts. AA never seems to talk about the share count of synthetics. Wish he would clear it up. He can't. He doesn't know. There's no way that he knows. That's right. You said dictator. Castro. Okay. King Dame. I'll time you out again for your spiciness over here. Ken Griffin's secret account. I don't know, man. I don't know. All right. We got like 52 minutes left to go. We're having fun now. I know a lot of people. Here's the thing with everybody mostly in AMC right now, you made lots of, you're fine today. Like, there's no reason to be upset at all. You literally had AMC go up and you banked on puts. I know some of you guys had 600% plays on TLT. There's no reason to be upset at all today. Like, look at this crossover on TLT right here. Crosses up. You get it at 137, runs up like $1.30, and you're printing. Amy, 1885. Moderna CEO deletes Twitter account. Rug pull. Just saying that AFC did run all the way to 19 when I was sacrificed, and it was beautiful there. Oh, really, XYZ? All right, let's get 1K likes on the stream and ANC to go to 20. I think we do have it, but thank you guys for all the support. I appreciate it. My crypto wallet is upset. Am I still holding on the Oxy? No. Is it ripping? No. It's all right here. How many contracts in the money for AMC today? Let me look. Sunko tracker. 45,000. You bought 120 March 4th calls on AMD, and then the market tanked. Wish me luck. Uh-oh. Does AA get 2.3 million shares performance bonus for meeting max goals? Saw something on Twitter. Yeah, it's performance incentive, but they also get vested to him anyway. He's gonna meet his incentives most likely. Let's see here. Amy. I timed out XYZ, and now we're starting to maybe try and pop here. Oxy, yeah, whatever. TLT, what are you doing? TLT, where's oil? That oil trade was dirty. Alrighty. Cowbell, is that what we need? We know AMC earnings are great. Yep, we do know that. Well, we have an understanding of decently how good BlackRock share recall. No. BlackRock did not do a share recall, guys. Stop. We're gonna have to talk about this. Maybe okay. So I'll make a video about this tonight, about this share recall stuff. That'll be my video for tonight. I'll explain the share recall. It's not a share recall. It's something like it, but you can't say it's a share recall. That's not what it is. SPY coming down now. TLT, you should go up. Let's see here. That tweet shows AA wants AMC to squeeze. Yep, it does. It 100% does. Let's see here. Alrighty. So, what do we got? Oh, wow. Sleepy, thank you so much for the super. In what circumstances do Facebook, AMD, and NVIDIA tank next week? Emergency rate hike, war. Did BlackRock recall the shares? No. Most likely not. Ethan, thank you so much for the super. SB, who keeps sneaking into the corner of your camera frame and waving? Okay, that's creepy, and there's nobody behind me. Ethan, that's weird that you're saying that. You make me want to look behind me now, and it's creeping me out. All right. There is somebody moving furniture upstairs, though, which is interesting. SPY. All righty here, people. Sacrifice me. Vix's sacrificial squirrel. Oh, I have to sacrifice you now. Let's see. It's me. Hi, Ben. All right. TLT coming back up again. Amy, 1885. Ooh, what the heck was that? All right. Let's see. Yeah, your buyback is to a wall. Exactly. SV Duck. All right. It's Trey's Black Anaconda. Okay. 1884 on Amy. All right, guys. I saw someone peek over your shoulder too. Oh, yeah? Is that how this works now? Mm-hmm. All right. I see how it is now. I see how it is. All righty. All right. You guys are funny today. You guys make me laugh. BlackRock and Vanguard long AMC and have the most. Not all their shares are loaned out. Why don't they recall their shares and force the squeeze and cash out? They could easily. They're just waiting for the time to do it. You seriously don't have a roommate? No, I don't actually. So what would happen if AA released information pre-earnings that could affect them legally? Well, he already did. He already released the earnings preview and it was awesome. Okay, Elba, that was reckless. It's the ghost of future Micron earnings behind you, here to teach you a lesson. Keith, you're killing me today on that. You're killing me, buddy. All right, 1881 on AMC. SCV got Jim Cramer locked up in his basement. Dude, I wish. Just kidding. No, I don't. I never said that. Dude, Cramer's wild. He's just so wrong on everything. I mean, for next earnings. On what next earnings? No, we do have the next earnings. Well, that's weird then. Don't know who we're seeing then. Just assumed you had a roomie. All right, well, guys, now I'm not going to sleep tonight. Thanks. TLD coming up again. SPY moving down here. Let's see. TLT 138. What are these TLTs at? Fed funds future yields hit day low. Ooh, uh-oh. EU will not evacuate staff from Ukraine. Oh, they're YOLOing it. They're like, nah, you aren't going to invade. Okay, now the TLTs are up 50%. The puts are flat, though. That's interesting. I actually should buy another TLT put, but I'm not going to. All right, TLT on the high over here. Vix's roommate is Pennywise. Interesting. SPY moving down. TLT up. Kramer's not wrong. He always is manipulating people's decisions. That's his motivation. The AA tweet is extremely bullish. Yeah, it is. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You know, Adam Aaron doesn't follow me on Twitter. It's upsetting. It's upsetting. It's okay though. Maybe one day I will be blessed. 1882 on AMC. SPY trying. TLT ripping. Thoughts on AMD calls for next week before the close of the day? If you could. AMC is my wife's initials. That's pretty cool. Oh, Amy Pop. Hold on. Who do I have to time out over here? Yeah, A did tweet about shorts. I saw that. The math behind the Adam Aaron tweet, it's just the increase in the short interest. What a travesty. Oh, SCV sacrificial lamb. All right, I got you. Put user in timeout. Here we go. We need 10 cents off of this. Wow, TLT is getting up there now. So these TLT calls, he watches STV. I don't think so. All right. These TLT calls should be coming up a little bit here. They're up 49%, basically 50% right now. The puts are staying flat, which is interesting. They're still, the spread on them is wide. That's why. All right. So here comes TLT. Amy and SPY could start to come down unless, TLT is going on a little bit of a moon mission here. All righty. Why does everyone want to get timed out? It's because we're sacrificing people to the AMC gods. Yeah, Oxy's pushing up here a little bit. So if you're still holding that, you're doing pretty good. Fed still buying securities until March 18th. Yeah, XOM day high. Ooh, the sacrifice must be pure. All right, people. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtered in right now, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream. Bunch of slackers in here today. Pick me. All right, I got you, Mike. Here we go. XYZ wants it again. Mike wants it too. All righty. Earnings in March going to be fire. Yeah, I think so. Oh, come on, Amy. Oxy, where's TLT? TLT, new day highs over here. Oh, boy. How are these contracts not moving right now? Let's see. Frank, thank you for the super. Some GME elitist just responded to my retweet of AA lol clown. I responded, remember when Aaron Cohen tweeted at the shorts? Oh, me neither. Dude, AMC and GME both look really, really nasty right now. Frank, thanks for that super. But here's the thing. Those GME elitists are the same people that they claim. They're the same type of people that they claim to be fighting against. They are complete idiots. Let's see here. TLT making new day highs over here. Jesus, watch out below on the SPY. Here it comes. Wow, new day highs still. Frank, you're so helpful. Frank is very helpful. Are the spreads on this wild? A little bit. The bid just dropped out. Yeah, okay. So people are trying to steal these TLT calls right now, and it's not working for them. I own both. Me too. Is it gambling to get SPY calls for next week? Yes, you need a reason behind why you're getting any specific trade. SPY coming down here. Amy dropping a little bit. 1873. Still in the green, though. Is that a monster cup and handle on TLT? Yes, sort of ish. So, guys, do you want to see something cool? This is what can happen with TLT. This is a lot bigger than what it looks like. This is the weekly chart. Look at this. From 138 to 179. And TLT is not supposed to move. So TLT is just ripping right now. Oh, my God. All right, everybody's trying to get sacrificed. Oh, boy. George W. All right, here comes TLT. Watch out below on the SPY. Yeah, TLT again. SVI just bought 218, 140 on TLT. Good luck. All right, here comes TLT. There it goes. These contracts are up 56% now. Not bad. Edward, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I bought 3 days this week, and today I just convinced a coworker to buy in. He bought 50 shares. Edward Morgan, there you go, buddy. Amy is still in the green right now. TLT is making new day highs, though. That's pretty great. Edward, thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. What is TLT? It's basically inverse of bond yield. So bond yields go up, TLT goes down. Or technically, if like bond prices go down, TLT goes down. Bond prices go up, TLT goes up. It should. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay. How's Viac looking? They have earnings coming up, so they could go on a little bit of a run. But wow, Viac's still green. So you got this little 1348 cross on Viac right here. So it could have came up a little bit today. Danny Berg, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Throw my pink body into the volcano. Danny, all right. Timing out supers now, I guess. All right, 1870 on Amy. Britt, thank you for the super. Next week, Strangle NVIDIA next week, earnings while down. Wait, I do Strangles for the actual event right at the last minute. Loving my oil plays. Russia's invading Ukraine and US is sending troops. Yeah, I like the oil plays. We'll see if we'll hit them a little bit more next week. Viac just went red. Amy up 6 cents. Spies coming down. TLT might be ripping right now. No, TLT is actually coming down off of that previous day high. Hold on. Whoa, that's weird. We all know that Adam has 2.3 million and that he can vest. That's weird. Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Grandpa Barney, does that mean I have to time out your super too? All right, Grandpa Barney, time out. Sorry, dude. All right, Oxy's ripping. Oh boy, are you guys hitting it? Alex Blunt, where you at, buddy? Oh, Oxy's looking like it wants to make that new day high. Amy coming back up. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Sacrifice me for green end of the day. All right, Barry. There you go. Viac went green. Did it come back? Yeah, Oxy's coming back up. You're still in Oxy, says Micah. There you go, bud. I like to see that. Love to see that, buddy. All right, people. Hold on. Let's see if Amy gets a little bit of action here. We're at 1874. Spy's kind of flickering around. Oxy moving back to the upside. That was a nasty trade today. I wish I got it later, but you know, Oxy almost green. There you go. Yeah, Adam Aaron's tweet is solid. Oh boy, this is not going to be good. Oh boy. You're up $1 now? There you go. There you go. Crude is still going. What's it at? It's above 94. No, it's up 3.89, but it's at 93.38, the WTI crude. TLT making its way back up here. Amy coming up a little bit. And green. Alex, there you go. Kick me to the fire pits. All right. Alex, if anybody asks to get timed out, just ban them. They're time them out. We're sacrificing people to the AMC gods so we can rip. Oxy about to break out. Yeah. Yeah, at that previous day high right now. You screwed up on the UA earnings. I went $2 out on the Strangle when I should have went $1 out. I would have printed. Ooh, up 111% on the Oxy. There you go. All right, here goes. Oxy looking for that previous day high. Amy's trying to come back out. The sacrifices are working. Yeah, Oxy's a good one. Oil could do well next week. You want to feel max pain so the chart doesn't have to? Say less, Mason. This is wild. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, I thought that was new day high on Oxy. Sorry, I got excited. Spy coming down. TLT, what you doing? What you doing, TLT? Nope, didn't do it. Oxy up 250% on calls. Dude, we only print over here. All right. Stay away from SNDL. Can't trade Oxy and weed in the same day. All right. That's funny. All right. Oh, man. TLT's coming back up here. Oxy's about to fly. Yeah, Oxy breakout over here. I might get a little tiny Oxy trade for next week. Alex, I might be with you, buddy, on this. I like it. Let's see what happens. Oil is probably going to show no signs of slowing down, so I'll get something for next week on Occidental. Okay, I will take 2 of these. That's what I'll do right here. I'm purchasing the contracts with unsettled funds. Leave me alone. I know I'm doing that. Leave me alone, Weeble. All right, TLTs are up 50%. All right, so I got an Oxy trade for next week. Probably going to hold that one for a while. Those are... How are those down? You have next Friday 42? Well, if mine hit, you're going to be printing. Oh, here he goes. XYZ back again. There he goes. All right, hold on. Let's see here. Yeah. All right. I have Oxy for next week. I think oil is probably going to continue to go up with inflation. Ding dong. Yeah, I know, Danny. I know. Those are bad. Those are going to be tough to Exxon is up at 80. Oh boy. Yeah, Oxy looks really good here. So it kept doing this all day. It kept hitting the 25, ripping up, making a new high, hitting the 25, new high, hit the 25. Not really a new high, but kept doing it over here. So that's why I have the 25 on here now. There's probably something a little bit more accurate, but I don't know. All right, the Oxy new day high over here. I think we're getting a little run. Interesting. How am I Occidentals? I've just gotten filled like an idiot. Oxy 47 next week. Oh, there you go. All right. AMC 1872. SPY trying to bounce here a little bit. BBIG Ortex. I got you, M. Kriegs. Dude, I've been playing oil so much recently. It's worked out. It's done real good. 29% estimated short interest, 100% utilization, 283% cost to borrow on the average. Crude was at 93.13 when I got your call. Dude, it was at 90 when I got mine today. And then it just kept going up and Oxy and all the oil plays wouldn't move. And I was like, there's no way that this is going to, yeah, here we go. Occidental new highs. I don't know how, but my calls are down. That makes no sense. Oxy going to drop hard. Just sold. Kidding. There you go. Amy right now at 1873. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move up here. Here comes Occidental all the way up to 43. Jesus. You need another day trade for today? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. All right. You've got 30 minutes. All right. My Oxy calls are flat now. SPY trying, GME trying. Where's TLT? Selling off a little over here. Oxy break 43 fast and run hard. I think it could. Selling calls on AMC prints so much money. No, not really. If it runs to 21 and you get screwed out of it. All righty here, peoples. SNDL going higher, 20% on Oxy for next week. I mean, if you need that, that's going to be SNDL really running. Really. Yeah, it's getting some candles, 1348 crossover over here. It still needs to get above $1 in order for it to not get delisted. Let's see. Kelly, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Thanks, STV Gabe TMI. I'm up $539 today, trading 1348 without huge risk. Awesome. Other than AMC, I may never buy another share, only options. Kelly, dude, that's awesome. I love to see that, man. Everybody's crushing it with 1348. I'm really happy that you guys are doing so well, man. SNDL is really getting up here right now. That is getting interesting. So weed goes up during war. I guess so. What's max pain? 18. I think. Yeah, it's 18. GE put up 150%. There you go. Yeah, SNDL looking spicy over here. Kelly, thank you for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. Crypto bleeding today. Yeah, it makes sense. Amy, 1866. TLT, what are we looking at? It's still doing crude went down a couple of cents. Seems like Oxy follows it pretty close. It wasn't today. And SPY's coming down now. So it's gonna follow SPY. So like, look at this. Oxy's probably getting a little bit of a bump right now, but Oxy moves weird. Yeah, see, now it's starting to come back up. Alex, when SPY was selling off today, look what Oxy did. So look at this is Oxy's chart and this is SPY. So Oxy with oil doing its thing, it sold off a little bit, but even here, I was like, no way. Yeah, so SPY's moving a little bit. Now these Oxys are coming up a little bit. AMC 1868. You see that 3 million 1 minute candle on TLT? Was it? Holy shit! Really? Yeah, Occidental really coming up right now. Oxy just surpassed the 52-week high. 52-week high breakout. Yeah, 52.95 was the previous 52-week high. Oh, this was a good day to trade oil. How are they flat? That is so nonsense that my contracts are flat right now. Let's see. Make sure you have after hours turned on, Ryan. Amy selling off here. SPY not doing a whole lot. Now buy a TLT put. I already have some. They're flat right now. They're down 6%. 51% on calls though. There was no oxygen. Yeah, no. The whole oil stuff, it's not like there was no crossover today on it, except for the pre-market. But with the way that oil's been moving and the inflation numbers yesterday, it only made sense that oil was going to continue to go up. Crude back up. Yeah, a little bit. 93.40. Holy shit. You have the Oxy 43s. Yeah, I have something a little further than that. Amy 1867. What's Oxy look like on the 4-hour though? Let's see. Does it look nasty? Oh, dude, Oxy looks so good on the 4-hour. Matt is coming crazy at AA on a stream. Why? He didn't say anything. AA didn't say anything. That's a little strange. I don't know. Maybe something else. Okay. Alrighty, people. Yeah, for everybody filtering in too, make sure you guys engage with the video. Just helps out a whole lot. And I am going to have a pretty wild video out there for you guys tonight. So make sure you guys turn on your notifications. It's going to be going out at 7:15. So make sure you guys are prepared for that. That's going to be an interesting one. Oxy coming back up. TLT over here. Coming back up over here. Look at CVX. Is it ripping? It looks all right. You got 42s to follow the rule of stay real close to in the money. I find I lose a lot more with out of the money calls, and I plan to hold overnight. That's true. That's true. Matt Peliquin, what's up, bud? How you doing? All righty, people. The AMC got us. I sacrificed too much. All right, yeah. So Amy right here, 1862. SPY moving back down. CVX coming down. TLT. Are we making new highs over here? Not yet, but TLT is on the way up over here. What's up, brother, man? Not much, man. You invented the arm to RC plane 20 years ago? Well, that's interesting. Is the market open Monday? Yeah, why wouldn't it be? Oh, because Super Bowl? Nah, it's open. Watch Tesla closing in on the 200 MA or EMA. Look for a whole candle. Just a big, like to the downside. Dude, TLT it's looking spicy. It's just looking spicy. 51% on TLT. Isn't Valentine's Day Tuesday? Or is Valentine's Day Sunday? No, is it Monday? Oh, I thought it was Tuesday. Interesting. All right, so TLT trying to move up here. Amy selling off. It just went into the red. It's flickering red, green right here. It is so flat on the day right now. This is interesting. I guess the world is coming to an end. No. Louisa, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Monday. I don't see any reason to be mad at the AA tweet. Yeah, I don't get it. Let's see here. Buying NVIDIA calls for earnings is a good idea now. So if rates increase, TLT will go up. It should go down. That's the thing. TLT should go down when rates go up. But I don't know. That's why I'm playing it both ways. So let's see here. Will I be your squirrel time? Nah, I already have a Valentine. Sorry. Yeah, TLT should go down. That's why I'm more heavily weighted on the puts, but I bought more calls today just in case. Something going on with SNDL. Yeah, I think a lot of buyers could be coming into it just on the yeah, it's coming back down. Little shark fin on this one. Amy 1868 back into the green over here. I like it. Oxy to 43, so the 43 calls will print. Oh, I'm hoping, man. All right. So what do we see here? What's Occidental at? Is it back at 40? Oh, shit. How are the Oxys down? Okay, they're flat. Now they're green. They're up 5% right now. Why is TLT ripping? Everybody's really, really scared of this like new war thing. So they're flying into bonds right now and taking their money out of the stock market. Which honestly, after a day when the Fed comes out and announces the highest inflation ever, not ever, but like since the 80s, I think. Yeah, Occidental's at a 52-week high. At 43, it broke that. So let's see if it can get a little spicy above this. I've got a couple of contracts for next week. They're only up like 2 to 5% here. They're flickering. AMC 1864. I like the oil trade next week. Too far out of the money? Nah, they're fine. It's like $2 out of the money right now. And Oxy can do it, no problem. Oil prices are going to skyrocket. That's why that's why I'm messing around with these oil. Okay, oil's up 4% today. Interest on the shares? No, guys. No, Corey. Everybody knows that Adam Aaron has 2.3 million shares able to be vested. Everybody knows that. It's been in the filings. People have freaked out about that in the past. It's 2.3 million shares that he has that can get granted to him over time. Everybody knows that he has those 2.3 million. It's in the filings. It's in everything. So I really don't know what's going on over there. Everybody knows about the 2.3 million shares that he has locked up that can be granted. Oxy may gamma squeeze next week. Yeah. Well, Corey, I just told you. Everybody knows it's the shares that he is able to vest. Okay, so oil really is just a little inflation move right now. World War III is, dude. Oxy coming down a little bit here, but it's just volatile. So SPY trying to come back up. Amy 1861. No. He's got those shares that are able to be vested. It's in all of the filings. And he's tweeted this out before. Sam, there you go on the Occidental calls. Attaboy. I love to see that. My man. Alrighty, here, people. Yeah, also, for those of you guys who are filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out a whole lot over here. I'm hearing oil going to 130. It easily could. A tweet not very clear. If you haven't read any of the it is very clear, Corey. When I read that, I was like, oh yeah, it's those 2.3 million shares. So I don't know what the deal is. I don't get it. I don't know. Maybe there's something I'm missing. I don't know though. Viac selling off or is it ripping? Viac selling off a little bit. Is silver up? AA tweet is clear. Yeah, I know. SLV. Silver and gold should be having a day today. Yeah, silver crossed in the morning, broke up here, came back down, and then you play this little breakout. That's a decent trade over here. $45 calls on Oxy. That may or may not be what I have for next week. I don't know. 210% on the $42 Oxy call. There you go. Sacrifice me now or I will dislike. All right, there you go. Goodbye. All righty here. So Amy selling off a little bit. 1856 right now, just flickering into the red. It's down 3 cents. It would be nice to have a green day today on a day when the SPY just absolutely capitulates. I'm betting SPY goes to 415 Monday. Okay, that would be dirty. Will AMC have a Super Bowl commercial spot? No, they shouldn't. No, I don't think so. I'm just thinking about the hedge fund spies watching your stream and telling their bosses they're sacrificing themselves for AMC. Sacrifice. All righty here, everybody. So let's see. Oxy coming back up. Amy doing its thing over here. SPY doing its thing. YOLO $20 into the Oxy 49's not a hedge fund. You're a wild boy. You are a crazy person. Polestar as a Super Bowl commercial? That sounds weird when you say it like that. It sounds like a compliment. Like, oh, you're a Polestar. And then Oxy rug pull coming. If oil rug pulls, which it won't, it's at 93.50. ATVI candle. Let's see. I have dead ATVI contracts right now. Yeah, no, these are dead. They're so dead. I'm not even able to BBIG looking jumpy. Ooh, interesting. Is Biggie looking a little jumpy over here? Is it getting a little spiced? Nah, it's trying. Not really, though. Amy down about 4 cents right now. SPY coming down. Occidental. Well, SPY's coming down, so I would expect Oxy. Wow, Oxy holding really good here. DraftKings YOLO bet because Super Bowl weekend. I'm staying away from that. I don't think. I don't. It's $20. All right, not a hedge fund. That's fair. SNDL running. Is it still running, or did it get that giant candle and then sell off and didn't go back up? Oh, it's coming back up again. Interesting. Amy down 2 cents right here. It's about that Max Payne time. Maybe USO cranking sold for Oxy. Where is it? Yeah, you could play USO next week too. But like oil, this just moved pretty good today. All right, Amy down 2 cents, 1 cent. Oop, back into the green. It's coming. It's trying over here. TLT, what's this looking like with another selling off a little, not doing a whole lot. Occidental, what's going on with this? Selling off a little bit here. The chocolate Rams gonna be Super Bowl champs? Maybe, man. It's possible. It's very, very possible. All right, people. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. It's not ankle time, that's for sure. Yeah, that's true. Amy 1850 selling off a little bit more now. GLD over oil. Oil's a slow gold's a slow mover though. Oh, SPY with a giant candle to the downside here. Still selling off, down 2.2%. Jesus. Amy's down about 0.5% now. If the Super Bowl happens, AMC moons. All right, bud. AMD still falling? Yeah, casual fool. Not according to the Simpsons. All right. Well, they are usually right. Let's see. Hurry, someone go program the hedges. I'm going to finish above 18. Right, 1850 right now. That would be a huge drop. Alrighty. Affirm had lost 50% in 2 days. Affirm puts printed. Printing on Affirm puts. Not me, sadly. SPY is a disaster. Yes, very much so. SPY is a dumpster fire right now. Short ladder attack. Naked shorting on SPY. All right. Wow. SPY 439. I honestly could come down to 435. It's very possible. That's the next zone. That is the next zone. Oxy's still holding. Does the market close on Monday for Valentine's Day? No. And will I be your Valentine? Also no. My Valentine is much better than your Valentine. Need more sacrifices? Yeah. Oxy take out 4305 and it'll take off before close. It's going to be so Oxy. Yes, it will move if oil's going up, but you also need the SPY to not capitulate. I see the AA tweet. Yeah, the AA tweet was good, man. The AA tweet was solid. Like, I liked it. It was a solid tweet. Alrighty, people, let's have some fun. Occidental, Amy. Okay, SPYs. Can you stop capitulating going into close on a Friday before the Super Bowl? Come on now. I have to go study after this and do homework. XOM, is it ripping? XOM, it's bouncing up a little bit here. Holding. Occidental Petroleum. What do we got going on here? Let's see. SPY down over 100. Yeah. Will rate hikes cause cost of oil rates to go up? They should. I was asking people about that the other day that would know. And I was asking them, they were like, yeah, they should. So I think they should start to go up, but we'll have to just kind of wait and see. So like rate hikes and cost of homework, you don't even go to class. Right. But I do the work. On a good note, Burrow gonna be the first win Natty Heisman Super Bowl. Oh, wow. Interesting. All right. Here comes Occidental again to the upside. See, SPY moves back up. Oxy comes back up too, above 43. And oil is at 93.40 WTI crude. Sacrifice me for a SPY rug pull. I don't think they're going to do a SPY rug pull. They could. I just don't see it as being very likely. But let's see here. XOM production increase. Oh, hold on. Is that news that just came out? Yeah. Well, oil stocks are starting to go again. So, I mean, I kind of wish I held those Occidentals, but wait a second. Hold on. Were these actually worth what I think they're about to be worth? Damn, that would have been worth like $1,200. Dang, I had 12 Oxy contracts earlier. All right, I got us to 19. Not good enough though. All right, Oxy just hit a new day high. I think Sam was calling out 43.05. Then it can get a little jumpy over here. It looks good. It looks solid. Oxy money flow pouring in. Yeah, I think they're gonna. Warren calls and I propose QPAM exemption to Credit Suisse. Okay, 5% on these Oxy calls for next week. I mean, I think those are gonna print. Someone shorted my internet. Good thing I got my phone. There we go. I say go to class. Well, yeah, dig your commentary. Thank you, bud. Yeah, dude, I hate Joe Buck. Joe Buck's an idiot. Hot take. Joe Buck, complete moron. You ever watch the US Open golf and Joe Buck's commentating? You know how many things he gets correct? 0. And it's frustrating to watch. $10 on the TLT strangle. Rich money bags. There you go, buddy. SNDL flying. Is it going back up? Yeah, SNDL is getting up there a little bit. 1348 cross, pumping into close. Amy trying to come back up here. Spy trying to make a move. Where's TLT? And then we're going to go back to Occidental. Yeah, TLT selling off a little bit here. Oxy, it's trying. Nobody likes him, yet he still is. Exactly. Joe Buck's terrible. Not a hot take. Everyone hates Joe Buck. All right, cool. So the Jim Cramer of golf. No, the Jim Cramer of sports commentating. He's like a baseball and football commentator, but then he tries to go do golf and just butchers it. It's the worst thing ever. All right, people. ATVI making a small move. Yeah, my contract's died. That's fine. Spy up. Oxy right above 43. My Oxy holding up 9% so far. There you go, Alex. I like that. UVXY went and hit $1,000 plus last time we went to. Really? Oh boy. Go to class. This is fun. You know what? Bye-bye. All right. Amy popping back up a little bit here. I got to stop drinking all this water, else I'm going to have to, you know what? Rate hike Monday? I don't know, but I've got the TLT play locked and loaded in case they do. 135% on Occidental. There you go. There you go. Playing a bear side strangle for next Friday should be interesting how this plays out. War VXX up, no war VXX down. Yes, Justin, that would happen. All right, here. Amy 1865. I'm probably dyslexic. GME coming up a little. Spy trying to make a little move. Occidental right around 43. It's looking all right over here. Why drink so much water? I get thirsty, bro. Well. My Oxys are now worth $21.50. Oh, so you made $1? McChicken. There you go. Amy trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, everybody. So we got about 13 minutes until close. Amy's in the green. Jimmy's in the green by about $1. Things are looking all right. Not really with the market, but if it rallies back up, that'd be pretty nice, you know? Oil's coming up. We hit some dirty plays. Activision doing well. Hold on. Do I have some money on these Activisions now, or are they completely dead? Yeah, those are dead. Neo, how's Neo doing? Tank? Yeah, Neo, awful. Let's see here. Alrighty. Oxy back to 43. TLT would go down with a rate hike. That's what I think too. So that's why I have a lot of puts. Well, we'll see. We need a bang candle. We do need a big candle. Let's go, Lou. We need Spy pop here. Oxy not moving. Amy coming back up. Oxy calls are way up over 300%. They will quadruple next week due to conflict. I think it's possible. It's possible that we hit a dirty Occidental trade. That would be nice, man. Like, it would be a nice thing to see. Like, we just hit dirty oil trades. We just become oil barons. Oxy back down. AMC, 1874. We're up about 0.8%. GME's about 0.87. Spy down 1.76. All right, XYZ. I got you, bud. Timeout. Isn't UVXY short-term VIX future? I don't know what that means. It's basically just VIX, like market down, that up. Oxy demand indicator cranking. Yeah, I think it's going to go. I think that's going to be a good one. Maybe I'll add a little bit to this. Actually, how much do I have on this? Nah, just kidding. Do I know any IRA tax specialists? No, I don't even have an accountant right now. Well, I sort of do, but I need to get one. I need to talk to somebody about taxes. SPY moving a little bit here. Sacrifice me to the AMC guys. Johnny. Oh, I almost removed you. All right, people. Let's see. Occidental doing good. Amy, come on, Amy. Up about 0.9% right now. Trying to get a little bit spicy. SPY trying to move up. Tyler, what? AMC Ortex, please. Yeah, I got you. So, AMC. Let's see here. Keith, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, bud. I like that you talk fast, lots of info in a short amount of time. Thanks for working today. Let's go, Amy. Keith, thanks for the super chat, buddy. I appreciate that. Righty. Okay. AMC 100% utilization. Cost to borrow average 1.47%. 22.09% estimated short interest. Occidental new day highs on this candle over here. I like that. Amy 1875. SPY doing its thing over here. Amy's going to pop in the last 10 minutes. Says David, 19 coming. There we go. I would love to see that. Here we go, everybody. All right. Yeah. And also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algos. Come on, people. Let's have some fun today. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. This is what we want to see going into close. Let's have some fun. Oxy's doing good. AMC looks like it could try to hit 19. Come on, people. Let's go. Up 58% on the 225s. There you go. All right, so Oxy, right around 43, 1870 on AMC right now, up about 0.6. SPY's just selling off again, as it likes to do at the end of the day, being a little bit of an a-hole. But let's see what's going to happen here, guys. I think we could get a little bit of a pop going into close, which would be pretty sweet. I would love to see it, but let's get a little bit more bullish action over here. Vix, time me out. Out from prison. You've already been timed out, buddy. You've been canceled. Alrighty. Neon AMC sign behind you. That would be pretty cool. AMC triple bottom. Yep. All right. 1873 right now. Oxy doing all right still. GME's coming back up here. 124.06 up 1.3%. SPY trying. Amy trying. Here we go, everybody. Come on. Come on. 1901. That's what I want to see. Will you make an awesome hype man? I appreciate that. Weird. I have to search for you on YouTube. Doesn't come up auto. That's really annoying. YouTube's been so annoying with me recently. Let's see. All right, peeps. Bing bong. The price is wrong. All right, everybody. Just like my new girlfriend. That's a bit strange. Occidental coming up. Amy, 1877. Come on, SPY. Get up there. Just reverse a little bit so Amy can try to make that push up to 19. Horses. Here we go. Rant about YouTube to pump AMC. No. Yeah, like typing in AMC stock, you won't show up. That's so weird. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, like that's YouTube's just messing with me. You guys are doing pretty good on it today. Thank you guys so much. But let's see. Weird for others. SCB is always at the top of my YouTube list. Yeah, it's weird. I guess it varies for everybody. Occidental trying to get a move. Amy trying to get a move. 1876. Come on. I want that 19. I formally request a break and hold of 19. I'm more specific on this formal request. Woo. Come on, everybody. Fire time. I don't know, like fire, like lighting things on fire. I don't know if that would be good, but let's see what we get over here. Come on. SNDL ripping. There you go. I don't personally like it, but good on you if you're making some money. AMC 1876. SPY is trying to make a little bit of a move back up into close over here. We got these 5-minute MACD crosses. Let's see how well they do. 1878 on Amy over here. DraftKings money flowing in. There we go. Shadow ban. That's why I contact them. That's annoying. Won't cross 19. Too many options. There's like not that many options at 19. But 22 more shares of AMC. There you go, buddy. What's max pain? 18. Ankles at 19. Sacrifice for the gods. Not ankles are at 20. Occidental still looking good. SPY just flickering here. Amy, it's your time to shine. We're up 1% right now. We got GME up 1.36. Let's see what's going on. BBIG is trying. We do want 19. I tried to send you two super chats earlier, but they wouldn't go through. I sent the super chat and YouTube closed. That's all right, Keith. You don't have to send those in if you don't want to, but thank you for trying, buddy. Oxy looking to fly here. Yeah, here it goes. Watch that new day high. It's 2 cents off. AMC coming back up. So I kind of use some of the Oxy profits to get something on it next week, but it's looking like it wants to make a new high. AMC 1879. We're looking all right over here. Can you imagine STV on drugs? Maybe I am. Just kidding. I'm not. Okay. Come on. Oxy high of the day. Did it go? No. 43.10 is the high. AMC is looking to get above 19 here, everybody. Come on now. SNDL boom boom. Yeah, it's been going a little bit. Let's see what we got on this thing. 60. Wow, 60. Wow, this thing is really ripping. 16% today. That's insane. We need more power. We are getting power hour a little bit here. Sorry, no buying power left for the week. You're all good, buddy. I mean, we're seeing that those buyers try to start to step back in on Amy. SNDL is ripping right now. Jesus. Is Max Payne 18? Yes, Max Payne is at 18 for the week. Let's see where Occidental is. Oh, new day highs on Oxy over here. There we go. Those contracts are doing good. Looks like a small cover on SNDL. It could be. It's possible that it could be. So these Oxy contracts now I have are up 7.24%. Oops, what did I just hit here? Here it comes. We got 5 minutes left, people. Let's see what's going to happen. Amy is at 1880 right now. Come on. Added 25 more to my 5,600. There you go, dude. There you go. We got whales over here. Occidental continually making new day highs. Amy popping up a little bit here. SPY trying to get a little bit of a move. Looks like the buyers want to. All right, here we go, XYZ. You are timed out until the end of the day now, I think. 300 seconds is 5 minutes, isn't it? Occidental new day highs. Amy, 1885.86. We got about 14 cents to go here. Hold your horses. The 10% on the Occidentals for next week. That could be all right. Amy breaking above its 48 EMA over here. We're at 1889. It looks solid. Also, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button too. It's looking Oxy printed, 11% now. Woo, 19 cents to go on AMC. Well, where are we at right now? No. We're at 8. We only need 10 cents here. We only need 10 cents. Occidental looking really good. Looking like it wants to make a new day high. SPY's trying to come back up here. Amy looking all right. Shorted stocks ripping. I'm feeling oily. There we go. We're all oil barons over here now, huh? 1888 on Amy, 124.56 on Jimmy. Ooh, baby. Added 200 more. Now at 8,300. Oh, atta boy. We love to see that. All right. So Oxy doing all right. SPY's making a move here. Come on, Amy. Get those buyers. 12 more cents and we close above 19. Oh, STV the auctioneer. That is me. All right, everybody. Things are getting a little bit spicy over here going into close. We got 4 minutes left. Hopefully we can get a little bit of action going into the close of the day. Lube those ankles. We'd have to shoot to 20. Occidental selling off a little bit. GME 124.39. Amy 1884. SPY moving back down here. We got 4 minutes left to go, everybody. I told you this was a Wendy's. Ooh, oily is funny. That is funny. All right, people. Just got more AMC. They are the AR guy. There you go. Bring the gas. Yup. Oxy still pump. I mean, it's still very high. SPY right now still down about 1.7%. Amy's trying to get that push to 19 here. It's trying to get that push to 19. Let's see. All righty, everybody. Come on, Amy. Amy, you can do it here. You can do it. Come on. Money Mike, thank you so much for the super. You sound like a horse race announcer. Haha, thanks for being here. Dude, anytime. Thank you so much for that super. I appreciate that. I work in the oil industry. Life's good. Attaboy. 1882 on Amy. SPY moving back down. SNDL squeezy. Did it get to 0.7? No, not yet, but it is. Whoa, look at the high of the day, 0.6666. That's not really what we really want. We need it to get a little bit higher than this. 3 minutes left, everybody. Here we go. AMD down 10% today. Yeah, that hurts. I have a really big position in AMD, and that does not feel good. I'm going in, buying more BRB on Kathy's farts. There you go. Lou is squeezing SNDL. All right. 1884 on AMC right now. SPY's trying, not really being all that successful. GME 124.17. Come on, Amy. We got 2 minutes left to go. Come on. Come on, people. We can do it. We can do it, people. All right. SNDL chilling out. 1883 on Amy. Alrighty. Why is AMD wrecking? Chipmakers just got busted up today. Like, seriously busted up. Last minute push. Yeah, we got 2 minutes left to go on this. Let's see if it gets a little bit spicy. I would love to see that. Let's get a little bit of some afternoon spice. Close of the day spice on Amy. 1881. GME trying to make a move here. SPY's moving back down. Where's Occidental on this? OXY. Selling off a little bit. So, I mean, Oxy was such a nice trade today. That was nice. It sucked for a while because, you know, like I was just locked into it, but here we go. So Amy right now, 1881. SPY selling off a little bit here into close. We got less than a minute to go, people. AMC, it's dirty talk time. Let's go. GME is Jimmy. Yep. Oxy selling off to the 13. Amy, 1881. Less than a minute to go here. Amy and Jimmy. Last minute whale. That'd be pretty sweet if it happened. I don't know if they can push it 20 cents, but I mean, let's see what happens. 1882. Amy, on a day when the SPY is down 1.85%, right now it's up 1.2%. That's absolutely awesome. That is awesome. UVXY to 1,000. Oh my God, that would be insane. Yeah, Oxy, a little bit of profit takers at the end of the day, like Sam said. Stay for earnings. Guys, it's Friday. There are no earnings. Where's that Lou candle on Amy? I don't know, man. I'm waiting for it. All right, there's definitely only a couple more seconds left. 1882. Looks like we're going to finish right around the 1880 level over here. SPY selling off. Amy holding pretty good here. Oxy coming back up. Let's see if it closes above. Oh, ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. Ding, ding, ding. What a freaking week for AMC. That was an awesome week, people. Good job. TLT is pumping. Still. It ran up a little bit into the end of the day. But, guys, that was absolutely awesome. 1888. What do we have here? Yeah, 1888 on Amy into the end of the day. Nice. So, guys, that is going to wrap up the streams for the day. Thank you guys so much for all the support you've been giving me. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. And if you do want to learn more about 1348, make sure you check out the link to the free part of the Discord in the top. Learn the strategy. Then if you want to get premium, awesome. And then I am probably going to be releasing a video for you guys tonight at 7:15. So make sure you guys have your notifications turned on for that. It's going to be a good one. It's going to kind of explain everything we've seen this week. And a lot of people were asking about these forced share recalls on AMC. So we're going to explain that too. And some of the other craziness that we've seen today, TLT spiking in the after hours. But other than that, guys, that was an awesome week. If you guys don't mind, again, dropping that like on the way out. Shout out to all of the mods, the new members, the existing members. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for all your support. Have a great weekend, everybody. Keep up the positivity. Let's have another great week like we saw this week. But other than that, peace.